Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's the night after, the night before, the day before the potential collapse of Virgin Orbit. Who knows? We shall see. Is some big rich American going to come in and buy it away from the Cornwall Massive? The boys round the pub in Cornwall have been gathering around all morning going, I think we can buy Virgin Orbit. It's only $200 million. What do you reckon? There's this guy down in Dallas in Texas, apparently down the road from Martyn Lucas. We could get that. Anyway, what do you reckon? Is it about to happen? So let's have a look at our position today. It's been quite an exciting morning. We got news happening all day today. So let's see how it all pans out. Let's have a look. So here we are. Our portfolio, let's get straight into it and let's see where we're heading today. So my overall position is up after yesterday's little disappointment at the end of the day. Looking pretty good. Let's go over to my entire position. I can tell you now we've broken new highs yet again. Despite everything that's going on, my portfolio is solid and sound and it keeps going up. And I'll tell you why. 47% of my Roth is now J&J. I do believe that's the way forward right now. Okay, let's have a look at it. I'll share with you. Okay, so my Roth IRA is 12,304. I'm only $1.5 grand away. Hopefully next month I could finally complete my year 2023, and then I've got a year then to put all my money into brokerage account. And Ali Tizro's listening, thinking that means crypto. That means crypto. What do you reckon? Anyway, Roth IRA is there. This is my general portfolio, my main account. So my position now is 48.5. So we're at an all-time high, which is as high as we got yesterday before it all went down afterwards. So let's see if we can make 50,000 today. Anyway, let's have a look. All right, let's have a look. Let's read the comments here. We've got some comments coming straight in. If you are a subscriber to our channel, you can actually call in and be on the show, and members can call in, but subscribers can comment in the chat. I'll answer your questions for you if I can. All right, let's read the comments. Who was here first? Brick Mark, there he is. Mike is here. Hi, Mark. US initial jobless claims actual 191,000, forecast 197. Job claims, actual job claims 191,000, forecast 197, previous 192. Job claims have come down slightly. Jerome Powell wants to see more people unemployed. Good morning, Mike. Can anyone hear a fan blowing? We're not starting that again. Bloody hell. Seriously, you caused me chaos yesterday. Sid, how are you? Sid, good morning to you. Brick Mark, how are you? Chicago National Activity Index, actual 0.19, forecast 0.1, previous 0.23. Good information coming in from my sources here this morning. US current account, actual 206.8 billion, forecast 213.65 billion, previous 217 billion. Thank you. Ali Tizro, lost it all, back to square one. It's going to take me a while to recover. Ali, Ali, as we know, was commiserations to Ali. Ali was betting that Bitcoin last night would go down to $20,000, and he had a lot riding on it, and he was hoping for a 0.5 in the market, a rate hike. It was a 0.25. Disappointing evening for Ali Tizro. We are sorry to hear that, Ali. As you can see, it's 27. It hardly moved. Me and Ali on that score have a very different strategy. I don't do options or any of these kind of bets, and our commiserations go out to you, Ali. We're sorry that you lost out. It could have been a great result for him if he'd got that right. He believed it was going down to 20,000. Sadly, it didn't happen. However, he will recover. He's done it before. We've all been there before. Sorry to hear that, mate. We are with you. We hope you pull it back. We know you'll pull it back. It's all part of the game, right? You play that kind of game. That's all too hot for me, I'm afraid. High inflation, and we are on the brink of a recession. You think Bitcoin is the way to go? Ricky Dominic, he's questioning there to Ali Tizro. Was able to grab 50 shares at 391 yesterday, a few moments before the final bell. Hopefully more chances again today. Let's have a look at the stocks right now. The S&P is up. Virgin Orbit is up. Yeah, I bought a few more. Still don't want to buy too much more until it goes to 3. Virgin Orbit has had a swing, 169. It's had like a swing of like 5% this morning. I'm not buying anything yet. I am in with 184 shares on my brokerage account, but I've got a buy order to buy 500 shares when it goes down to 44 cents. And I'm not doing it before. Sorry to hear that, Ali. Yes, very, very tough. Made a profit on Apple, 24%. Game playthrough. Congratulations to you. Welcome to all our members today. 95% of our viewers are all members. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube to live viewers who are members percentage. I'm very proud of that. 95%. If you want to be part of our membership, there's a reason why 95% of our viewers, they've all got badges, is because they get 20 times back what they put in Ask Anybody, and they'll tell you. Hit the Discord channel as well, is open to everybody. Exclusive content, of course, for our members is there on Discord if you want to call in and be part of the show. Ask me a question. Virgin Orbit is going up. Are we getting the news? I've just put an urgent news video prior to the show out. Did you see it? About Virgin Orbit on the brink of a deal. However, I don't know if it's just down the road from me, actually, Dallas. But I don't know if it's going to happen or not. It could be a bit of a pump for the stock for Richard Branson. I lost it all 3 times in crypto. You can always come back. Hope you're all good, Ali. Yeah. Let's have a little look. Ali Tizro, short-dated options are far too risky there. The data ridiculous. Better off at least. Well, I mean, Ali has had a lot of success with that. So you win some, you lose some. It's not for me. We're all different. We do things differently here. I would be at a break even at 27.50. Let's have a little look. How far off were you from that? 27. I would be at break even at 27.500. Let's read that again. I would be at break even, but I missed it. I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it would go down to 20,000. Anything below 27 would have made good money. Okay, Ali, sorry I misunderstood there. I correct myself. Ali said he didn't expect it to go to 20,000. He expected it to go at 20,000. I believe that was your optimal point, right? That's when you would make most money. That's the message you sent me. But I didn't realize that you'd make money on the way down as well. Okay. 27.5, you would have broken even, but you missed that. So I dare ask. Ali, give me a call later. We'll have a private conversation. I'd like to hear from you. We'll have a cup of tea and we'll talk about it, right? Maybe I'll bring a whiskey with me. Right. Okay, let's get ready. I know Ali will be back. Virgin Orbit, big swing. Are you buying in? Do not make that mistake. However, I've got a small position of 184. These are my original shares that I had for ages. So I'm still in. Always keep your moon bag. People in the crypto world call it a moon bag. I don't like that phrase. It's not a real term. It's made up on YouTube. But there you go. Keep a moon bag just in case something that could just explode, and it could. Not literally, I hope. It fell in the Atlantic Ocean last time. We want to see it do better this time. But anyway, it's worth holding something. So this is my original position, down 58%. I'm not buying any more. I'm not throwing any money at it at all. I'll only do it if it goes down to 44 cents. That's what I've said, and that's what I'm standing by. I don't know if the buyout's going to happen. But how's Virgin Galactic affected by this? Well, at the moment, it's up. They're watching it because they know Richard Branson cannot put any more money in, as otherwise they've got no more lifelines left. So it's like a game of chess. You've got to always move 3 or 4 moves at least ahead, and we all know what has to happen next. At least you should know what has to happen next. All right. Let's have a quick look. Trying to see what everybody's watching right now. Yeah, Virgin Orbit is being searched for. There's something else as well that's very, very interesting. Something that you might be interested in. Ocean Biomedical. Ocean Biomedical, a topic we discussed the other day, for some reason has gone, if you like, semi-viral. Not viral, not even close. Semi-viral on my channel. Ocean Biomedical. Everyone is searching for a video I made a while ago about an obscure stock that no one's interested in, no one's talking about, but all of a sudden, everyone is searching for it. So, Ocean Biomedical. I'm going to make a video on it later on. This is obviously something brewing in the background. You might want to take a look at this. For some reason, I'm getting people search for it all the time, and expect a load of Ocean Biomedical videos to come out today. Top tip for a YouTuber. It's very small. It's under the radar. 2 employees. 238 million market cap. It's how to grow a YouTube channel, by the way. Become the master of a small niche and then take over the world. That's how you do it. I'm telling you too much now. I don't want to give too much away. Give my strategies away. But anyway, Ocean Biomedical. This is very, very interesting. Look at this. It's obviously a SPAC. You can tell that. For $10. Went along. December. Suddenly crashed down, boom, and then we've got this. Anyway, I will endeavour, not now, I need to do some proper research first. I just don't want to talk a lot of drivel. I have to do some research first. Coinbase announces very bad news. The cryptocurrency exchange says it is receiving a warning from Securities and Exchange Commission suggesting a possible enforcement action. It will take this month to reflect and think about my actions. I need to be more risk averse. Ali, let's have a conversation. Me and you in the broadcast lounge later on. Have a private conversation. Let's have a conversation. I'd like to be in on that. Give me a call later. All right. After this meeting. After this show. This meeting. Is this a meeting? We're having a meeting, apparently. After this broadcast, give me a call. What's your percentage of your portfolio? What percent of your portfolio is in J&J? Remember, not to have too much in any one stock. Absolutely right. You're totally right. Could be a black swan event that wipes it out? No, that isn't going to happen, I don't think, for J&J. Let me tell you. In fact, I'll share with you. It's just easier to share with you, right? J&J on my hang on a minute. On my brokerage account, it's 5%, 5.23. That's underweighted, so that's fine. 5.23 on my general brokerage account. That's fine. Underweighted, no risk there at all. Roth IRA. Remember, the Roth IRA only opened in December. It's a much smaller fund. So I am 46%. That is overweighted. So there's 2 things I have already planned to do about that. Was very aware it would grow that quickly. And I have a strategy for that. First of all, I'm lowering my averages all the time. Remember, I can lot sale and sell the stocks I bought at 151. I'm lowering my averages all the time, so I intend on trimming off the top to take off risk off the table. So as it goes 155, 60, I'll make some profit. 165, I beg your pardon. I will sell a couple of shares. I will reduce my position. But more importantly than that, that's my third move, if you like. My second move of my 3 pieces of chess moves, my second move is it won't keep bottoming out at this level now. It won't go any lower. And over the next coming weeks, I've still got $3,000 uninvested cash in my brokerage account. I will buy other stocks which will then by default lower the percentage and exposure to J&J by simply using some of the $3,000 I have. I'll share with you. Look, here it is. Here's my IRA cash. It says I've got $1.5 grand because 1,177 is allocated. However, 2,722. That's how much I've got. So I could spend 2,722 on Tesla today, for example, and then my 46% would probably drop to somewhere like 20. So I have the power to reduce the percentage without selling it by adding something else, and I also have the ability to trim off the top because I'm lowering my averages and we're very close to the break-even point. So that's my second and third chess piece strategy, if you like, how I'm playing that out. All right, does that make sense? I'd like your thoughts on that. 22. Sid Arthur is a composer of music. Is that right? Bit of trivia there. Good look at the channel. Sid, you need to come on my music show then, on my other channel. You know I've got the music channel, right? You know I'm the world piano man, as voted by Elton John. Here we go. Here's the music channel. Check out my music channel, and if I can feature your music in any way on my channel, help you grow in any way at all, I will. Consider becoming a member of my channel here, and I can get everyone to subscribe to your channel. Would love to help you in some way. Ali Tizro, what's the difference in premium for 1 week expiry? Worst feeling is when you call it right and your options expire the day before it happens. I've done it before. Now only use longer dated. 22. Comment there. Octavio Garcia, good morning, everyone. That's the nature of black swans, Martin. They're event that can't happen but do. Yep. Well, if J&J did suddenly go down 20% overnight, there was a black swan event, I would buy more and lower my position and hold, because a company like J&J, I do not believe is going anywhere. The history's there, the domination is there, the conviction is there, the management is there, the cash on the books is there. So I will trim off the top. I will take some money off the table. I will use my 2,700 to buy other things to balance out. So I feel very confident with that strategy. He has had music in 70 films. Bloody hell. Hey, how about that? Hey, we've got a celebrity here in the channel. Sid Arthur Barnhorn. Isn't that amazing? No one even realised we've got a music composer here in the channel. How cool is that? Anyway. It's Ramadan. I can't drink tea until sunset. Day trader of the day. I lost 35%. Ouch. And I bet you didn't put $20 in, did you? Your strategy makes sense, Martin, but in my opinion, 40% is too high. You could at least have 15% in a competitor. If you like the sector so much, just as risk management, Procter & Gamble would be the answer. Yep. The competitor would benefit from anything negatively impacting J&J, so as long as it isn't industry specific. You're right. P&G would be the answer then. So perhaps I should buy some P&G. Do you have any positions in McDonald's? Used to. I cleared it because of margin. Jason, I've got a tiny market share just to keep my finger in. But yes, I have hardly anything at all. I'm looking for an entry point. McDonald's is one I want. I currently own one share. There it is on the screen. I used to have a decent position, but I want to get back in again. Absolutely. And remember, it's not a burger flipping company. It's a real estate company. Trying to read these comments over here on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. I can answer all your questions then. I will answer everyone's questions if you come on YouTube. I can't speak to everybody on YouTube, on TikTok. All right. We got our friend this morning from Taiwan, Andy. Can you see my post on your Discord? I have something for you on J&J. Right, now Andy, you're not a member, so you won't be able to see many of our exclusive contents. Let me go over to Discord right now. We've got a guest here. Andy, this must be Andy. So, Andy, would you confirm this is you? I ask that because people come in and pretend to be you. I'm assuming this is you. So just say in YouTube, this is you. And that's great. Let me just update your nickname so everyone knows it's you. And we do this because we want everyone to be... I don't mean to kick you from the server. That's not what I meant to do. Let me go in here and do that again. Andy, just say yes, it's you. Change nickname. So I'm just going to update your name so everyone knows who you are on the server. It's pretty accurate, but I just want to make it completely clear. Andy was C1. So we all know you're the same. Yes, it is you. Okay, great. Okay. Now, Andy, right now you can only see the public channels here on Discord. You can't see these channels. You can't see all the tips channels. You can't call in on the broadcast lounge. You can't see any of these things. And so if you become you could talk to everybody. You could communicate. But I can't share your... I can read your links you've sent to me, wherever you've put them, but I can't share them on the screen unless you're a member. And we do that because we only share verified information. When people become a member, we know they're not a bot. I'm not saying you're a bot for a second, but we can verify people. We know that people are of a certain age and they've been through security and so on and so forth. And then I can share your links on the screen. I only do that for members because we want to make sure that the information that we show is verifiable and I've checked it. So I'm sure you understand that. Anyway, if you wish to become a member, here's the invitation to join. You can, just for a couple of bucks a month, you could be a member and you'll get 20 times back what you put in. There are many, many benefits. Anyway, I'll if you ever do, I will do that. Now, you said you sent me a link, so where did you put it? I will go and have a little look. How can I post some screenshots? You go into the channels like links for YouTube, but this channel here, look, links for YouTube. This is so I can share on the screen, but you can't see these channels because these are members only channels. You can't see you can only see the public at the moment. You can only comment in the public channels here. The public channels. But as I said, I won't share your links. I will read them and everybody else will read them, but I won't share them on the screen until you are a member. All right? So you can still share. You can still, people can read them. I just won't put them on the screen unless you are a member. All right? Anyway, just something to consider. All right, we've got 35 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let me bring everybody up to date. It's a quick commercial break. Good morning all. Jutawan forever. I am new here. We've got a guest. We've got a guest this morning. Jutawan forever. Welcome to you. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my studio here in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. There you go. Welcome. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome Jutawan forever into the channel. He's new here. Let's welcome him in. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. This is my real money, my real journey from 5 grand up to nearly 50,000 now, live on the show in front of everyone. This is my real money, all my real money. And we trade and invest live every single day that the markets are open. Again, no criticism, no. 22 on, I want to thank you for all your inputs and I appreciate everything you say. I've got a good relationship with you now. I appreciate it. And I like when people check me. I like when people flag certain things for me to consider. Absolutely. All the time. Excuse me. I appreciate it. And yeah, absolutely. It seems members of this show have problems with religion. Don't need any more negativity. No negativity from me, Ali. What's up? What's up? There's no negativity from anybody. Ali, catch you all later. Don't feel like that. There's no negativity towards you at all. Would everyone put their cities and countries in, please, and welcome Jatawan. No, not at all, Ali. I am with you 100%. Catch you later, Ali. Yeah, everyone, no one wants you to go. That's a shame. Did I miss a comment? Did I miss something that someone said unpleasant? Did I miss something? Did someone time something out? Anyway, Gold Coast, Australia. Thanks, Martin and Mike. Just sub to your music channel and follow. Oh, thank you, Sid. I've got a music composer here who's got songs in films. How very cool is that? Welcome from the Netherlands. Sid joins in every day. I'm really excited. Thanks for following my music channel, Sid. Appreciate it. Right then, there's an update. I know you're all trying to help me. The update now. Jadawan, I'm from Malaysia. Love Malaysia. Lots of friends in Malaysia and Indonesia and places like that. Wonderful. Lovely to have you here. Yesterday we bottomed at 2,500 on the music channel. We need to get 4,000 by the end of the month, which is in 7 days to remain monetized. So please help me out. I can now tell you we are at 2,600. So we've hit bottom and we're going up quickly. We need to get to 4,000 by the end of the month. So if you could help me, there is the music channel. Click a playlist, loop it. You can watch it. You can be looping it now. Open a separate tab on your computer, separate device. Have a playlist running in the background, and hopefully we'll be there by the end of the month. My channel will not be demonetized, and then we can start building. So everyone who wants to help my music channel survive, we've got a week to go by the end of the month. Hopefully everybody now will get behind me and help me. Click on a playlist, let it loop, and you can tap the screen and loop a single video if you want. However you want to do it, and just let it run. You can do it all during the shows on mute, and that'd be really great. Thank you, Mike. 2,600. So we should go up from here now. We can't go any lower. There's nothing else to fall off. Very exciting. Thank you, Mike. Space going down again. Let's have a look. Yep, it is. I said it will go to $3, and I believe it will. I don't believe there's a bailout for Virgin Orbit. I believe it will go bankrupt today. If it reaches 65, or if it reaches 70, I think it will settle off again. That's just my opinion. That's what I'm doing with my money. What you do with your money is entirely up to you, of course. But that's what I feel. Let's see how it all pans out. Welcome, everybody. We've got 23 watching and 11 likes. If anyone could smash the if you could smash the like button, let me share with you on the screen. Let's put a minute on the clock, and we try to get to 100 likes every day. We've only done it a couple of times, but it helps the channel if we can. If you're new here, click subscribe and ring the bell. There you go, and give me a thumbs up would really, really help my channel. Thank you so much indeed. We've got 11 likes right now, 23 watching. Let's get the 20 likes in 1 minute. That would be awesome if we could. Here's Mr. Mini-Me asking you politely, would you mind ever so much tapping the like button? It makes all the difference. Thank you, guys. There you go. On the way up again. Brilliant. Thanks ever so much. Appreciate you so much indeed for your help on that. It's what tells YouTube to share videos. That's how it works. All right. Virgin orbit. Half an hour to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready. Half an hour to go. This is the day after. Siddhartha, thank you. Thank you, Siddhartha. I appreciate that. So basically, Sid, this is between me and you as a musician. Just very quickly, because we've got half an hour to go. Sid, let me just tell you, between me and you, right? What happened is I started focusing on this channel when COVID happened. I was touring. I did 195 countries. I toured for 17 years all around the world. And I played everywhere. And then I damaged my back, 6 bulging discs. And COVID came. I had a touring business in the US. All my theatre dates were cancelled. All my shows were cancelled. So I decided to build this channel. And I committed to it. And I love doing it. I feel it's just as good as, actually, if not better, than performing live to a live audience. It is a live audience, but you're there at home, because I can do the best sound when I'm singing with my studio behind me, the best lights, the best production, my own piano. You know what that feels like as a musician. And I go live. So I started building up this channel because this is easier to grow. It's hard to grow music because no one knows who I am. No one cares who Martyn Lucas is singing Let It Be, or Martyn Lucas sings Imagine. No one cares. It's been very hard to grow my channel. So I did this channel because people are interested in how to make money. And I enjoy building an audience more than I do making money. So I built this channel. So I go live 10 hours a day. So I neglected my music channel. So it lost all its watch hours, and to remain promoted and monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours. So they all fell off, and everyone started watching in December. I started promoting my music channel. Everyone started watching, but I warned everybody, we've got about 2,000 hours that I did a year ago that are all about to fall off. Well, they all fell off yesterday. So now we've hit bottom. It's like the stock market. We've hit bottom. So now I'm asking everyone to watch, because it's a 365-day rolling. So all those 2,000 they've added over the last month or two, that's the lowest we can be now, because there's nothing else to fall off. So everyone's watching and looping, and hopefully by the end of this month, otherwise I'd be demonetized and I wouldn't be able to do my fundraisers and all those things. And hopefully everyone's going to watch, help me and get it back up to 4,000, and then I can bring out 1 or 2 videos a week, and hopefully people will watch, and hopefully then the 4,000 hours will become 5, 6, 7, and I'll get away from this minimum drop-off point. Anyway, that's to you, Sid. As a musician, I'm sure you appreciate where I'm coming from. All right, so then, just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. Half an hour, in fact. Virgin Orbit, I'm expecting it to drop. Virgin Galactic, I'm expecting it to drop. And I've got more. I've got buy orders all across the board. Was a great choice to start this channel and continue making music in your studio. I know what I indeed know what you mean. Working from your studio, home studio, is great. Gives a lot of freedom as well. Absolutely, I absolutely love it. Have you ever seen? Well, obviously you're looping it now. I basically built a theatre. I toured for 7 years. 17 years I toured the world, but for 7 years I toured a theatre show called One Night in Vegas. It was the second largest one night touring theatre show in England. The first was That Other Day. We were number 2. We did the West End theatres. We toured all over with the British Philharmonic Orchestra. Andy Crompton, who owns the British Philharmonic Orchestra with Cannon MacLeod, which provides the orchestra for Phantom of the Opera, they were my band. I had the best musicians in the world, and we toured, and unfortunately, I had no funding. I did it all on credit cards. I had 7 dancers, 6 dancers, a big orchestra. I booked the best theatres in Britain, London Palladium, you name it. I played everywhere. And I earned $1 million and lost $1 million. I never made any money for myself, but I kept the show going for 7 years, never cancelled, paid everybody, the orchestra and everything. And finally, when the credit crunch came to England, when Lehman Brothers and all the banks collapsed, everybody stopped going to the theatre overnight. I had to end the show. I had to declare bankruptcy. I kept it going for 7 years, never missed a show, 100 theatres a year. And that's my story. Anyway, so I basically built a theatre. This is a theatre setup. Moving lights, special effects, haze. I mean, when I go live, you'd think there was 10 people working all my systems and camera crews, light crews, and I feel that I'm back in the theatres. I've even got a follow spot. If you actually look at the back of the studio, hang on a minute. I think I can show you. Look, I put look, there's a follow spot. Watch. There. See? I turned it on just there. I've got a proper theatre follow spot. Look. Turn it on. Turn it off. So there you go. I've got all the moving lights and all the heads and stuff like that. But basically, I built a theatre in the studio. So I'm trying to give that feel that when I was in theatres. So I feel at home. I feel I produce something good. And but it's very, very hard until you get that viral video. No one is searching for Martyn Lucas Sings Let It Be. And I don't, there's nothing to search for. Until you get an audience, it's hard. But that's the other thing. This channel is growing so quickly that my audience here support my music channel. So I will get there. I will get there, and it'll overtake this channel. I have no doubt, because the music channel has a greater potential, if in a way. Once this channel and it's on target by December hits 10,000 subscribers, we should be at 1 million views in 85 days. I'll get so many friends here that will hopefully want to at least look at my music channel. It will start to take off. It will start to grow. And I think within a couple of years, I will have that viral video. I will. My Virgin Galactic song that I wrote for Virgin Galactic, that did 1,000 views within the first day. I mean, that's never happened to me before. So it will happen. It will happen. Anyway, let's see. Virgin Galactic going back down again, 397. Virgin Orbit. This is where I think it's about. I think it'll go as probably high as 70 cents. Ricky Dominic, your studio is top notch. Thank you very much. There's, I think, 4 or 5 moving cameras. They're all Sony A6800s, I think it is. They're all on tracks. They all move. I've got a star cloth. I mean, I've got everything. I don't know what else to do. Hope Vorb finds a deal. Yes, we certainly do. Hope Vorb finds a deal. I'd love to see it successful, but I doubt it. I've got to be honest. I doubt it. Anyway, let's see how it pans out today. We're just dropping off a little bit now. My Roth IRA is dropping, and that is Coinbase. Coinbase has halved in value. Coinbase has halved in value. I was 138% up. I'm now, 80% up, but it's halving in value. I've only got one. I intend to hold that share. That was donated to me via Ali Tizro. So I'm holding that one share, even though it's halved in value, and I could have sold it. I kept it. I keep the shares that were bought for me by you. I just think it's a nice thing to do. You can see we've dropped off a little bit. There we go. Anyway, so if you want to help me with that endeavor, go to my music channel. There it is. I'll give you the link right now. Pick a playlist. Let it loop, or a video, or a play. It doesn't matter. Just to get the 4,000 watch hours up. Really appreciate it. And Sid, just so you know as well, I don't know if you know this, I do 14 different voices. I can sound like Frank Sinatra, Paul McCartney, Elton John, Andre Bocelli, Pavarotti, Michael Jackson, Bryan Adams, Michael Bublé, Richard Marx. I do 14 different voices in different languages too. And that's what I do. Anyway, Ocean Biomedical. Got to make a video on that. Thank you, Eric. Eric's looping as well. In fact, I want to do that now. I want to do that. And this poll is anonymous, so please be honest. Are you looping my music? Okay. Please be honest. It doesn't matter if you put no. We're not going to fall out. I don't know who you are anyway. It's anonymous. It's an anonymous poll. Are you looping my music? Yes or no? I want to see how many people actually are doing it in my show. So we've got, how many people are watching? There's 30 watching now. God, if 30 people did it for like, if 30 people did it for like about 2 hours, I'd be done. Are you looping my music? Yes or no? And please be honest. Please be honest. If you're not, it's okay. I won't know who you are. It's completely anonymous. It just gives me an idea of how many people are actually taking part in this. There you go. Ask the community. Let's see what happens. I'll be interested to know. I expect it to be about, out of 30, I expect 4. I would imagine about 4. So what would that be? About 10%? 11, 12% maybe. Let's see. If everyone votes, then I'll get an idea. Okay. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon. 15 minutes to go. McDonald's. I hope McDonald's presents me with a buy. I'd like to own McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. We had some bad news yesterday. We always get an overreaction when we get bad news. Yesterday, J&J did not get the good news they were looking for the talcum powder legal proceedings. They were hoping to be able to write it off for bankruptcy, and they didn't get it. But we always knew that was going to happen. But of course, the market overreacted. I bought 2 shares. Thank you very much indeed at 151. Thank you very much. But now they're going to the Supreme Court to appeal it. They still say that talcum powder doesn't give you cancer. That's what J&J say. Other people say different, but that's what they say. Anyway, let's have a look. 9 votes. So that is 6 of you. Wow. 6 people are doing it. Brilliant. Thereabouts, isn't that right? Yeah. So, yeah, maybe 7. Wow. About 7. 7 people doing it. Brilliant. That's incredible. Yeah. 7 people do it. I reckon if we had about 10 people do it for a day, maybe 2, not even a day, I think would be there. Anyway, let's have a little look. Virgin Orbit, 66. I think it's going to bounce at 70. What do we think? Loop-de-loop, Jason Fallon. There you go. I'm becoming famous in Australia. Jason Fallon, tell your mates down the pub. Watch Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. I'll sing them an happy birthday if they become a member. They get a birthday song and everything. All right. For free. Right. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Walmart, Bitcoin, still up. 15 minutes to go. It's an exciting day. It's an exciting day because 2 things can happen here, obviously. Ali Tizro posted in the breakfast bar. Oh, this will be good. Let's have a little look. Breakfast bar. Let's go to the breakfast bar. Might have lost a big trade, but I still reap the rewards of previous runs. Let's have a little look. Let's go into the breakfast lounge this morning. We've got time. And before the market opens. Hang on a minute. Let's go over here. Okay. This was yesterday. I love this. Eric B, he got his crystal ball mug. You can buy one of those mugs now in the chat. There's all the different colours, different things. Anyway, there's the mug. I love that. That was yesterday. Brilliant. Anyway, morning everyone. This is the Breakfast Lounge. Every morning I ask you to come in here, have a little, say hello to each other. What are you trading? What's going on? Share some pictures. This is the Breakfast Bar. Every morning before the show starts, we come in here and have a little chat. You can do that if you're a YouTube member. Anyway, Britmark, morning. Look at this. Might have lost a big trade, but I still reap the rewards of previous runs. What's this? Oh, look at this. Oh, is this where you are now? Is this where you are now? You're having a nice time. I love it. Should play that again. He's having a little bit of a spa session. Oh, I love it. This is Ali right now. This is where he is. I like a bit of that. I love a bit of that. When you make money, invest in yourself and your future. You can make money every day, all year. That's cool, Ali. Good morning. When you make money, invest in yourself and your future. You can make money every day or every day of the year. Good morning, everyone. There you go, Eric Bree. That's cool, Ali. There you go. Absolutely right. Nice one. If you want to send in your stuff like that, that's in the breakfast bar. Lear is washing up. Can you hear that again? I cannot believe you can hear so much noise in the background. I never realised. Lear is washing up. It's amazing. I cannot believe it. I need to be in a sound booth. I need to be in a sound booth, don't I? I could put a little thing behind me like this, and I think, in fact, I've got one. I wonder if I should do that. Actually, I could actually put myself in a sound booth. How would I do that? I could put the frame round here. I actually know how to do that. I know how to do that. or I could change the microphone, use my Neumann. That would sort the problem out. I play your motivational video every morning for the guys at work. They love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. That's on this channel though, right? The chat, just so you know, and I thank you for playing that video. Thank you. It's the music channel I need to save. This channel's all right. This channel's growing really well. It's the music channel that you need to loop. I don't know if you understood that. I just want to be clear, just in case you didn't know. All right, there you go. All right, we've got 15 minutes to go. Get ready to go. Just under 15 now. Not long to go. Here we go. Leah is Brickmark. Leah is washing up. That is so funny. Mr. Lucas, news from Germany. Working the weeks they are presenting a bill to legalize marijuana. Tilray to 25 easy. Pay me. Pay me, he says. Let's have a look at Tilray. The thing is, Mohammed, and this is a very, 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 very important statement. And I always think people forget this. The stock market is 6 months ahead. 6 months ahead. The markets are not the economy. They are separate. These are what people believe the stock will be in 6 months from now. We already know about what's happening in Germany. Of course, breaking news does change things. Things do move. Of course they do. We understand that. However, many things are already priced in. The markets have priced in that Germany is going to pass that bill. We already know that. So it's priced in. Now, that doesn't mean to say when we get the announcement, it pops up, but it very often pops up, sells off, and comes back down again. That's how it works. Don't make financial investments unaware that most of the news that you're hoping is about to happen isn't already priced in. For example, Virgin Orbit popping up 10% is because people think potentially there's a deal already done. This company obviously is different. It can't value 6 months ahead because the chances are it won't be here today. It could be bankrupt. But other companies, for example, like Apple is way overpriced, very, very expensive. People buy it in because they believe in 6 months it'll grow into the stock price, and then they'll set another 6-month rolling forward, a target. That's what it does. The same with J&J. I am expecting the stock price to be 250 to 280 in a year. That's my price target, it's already. We're already thinking about the split. We're already thinking of what the likelihood of J&J is surviving. So we're investing in a company for the future, not for today. So I think getting overexcited about the Germany news is great. However, it's already priced in. Yeah, I loop the music channel, but for myself, so I can sing along. Thank you, Jason. Love it. Coinbase taking a beating. Yeah, SQ is getting short. Vorb, ask a small group of works. Yes, they do, Roger. I brought out a video this morning explaining that. If you go to my the main channel, I did a live video. You might want to watch it before too long, of where I see what happened today. Dallas, Texas, just down the road from me, is the investor, allegedly. This was broadcast this morning. We've got 9 minutes to go. When it comes up, I'll share it with you a second. It won't go back down. This is a different situation. I disagree. I think this price is not priced in based on Germany legalizing. My opinion, if Germany legalize, it's easy. Hey, I'm with you, Mohammed. I believe it's a $40 stock. It's a $40 stock, but we have to wait for the US legislation, legalization to come. That's where the money is, because that's where the main investors are. Was thinking about starting a position in Apple and Amazon. Absolutely. Apple's a big position for me, and so is Amazon. Amazon is huge for me. I'll buy Vor, bring it over to Australia, and I'll make it work. Yeah, I was thinking of buying it this morning, Jason. All the boys down the pub. We had a meeting last night. We had a lock-in. And we had a meeting this morning, and we thought, right, let's buy Virgin Orbit. Who wants to own a rocket company? And everybody got their beer glasses and went, yes! It was like that. It was like that. It was great. Who's this guy, Mr. Brown in Texas? We don't need him. We can buy it. Martin, don't you know him? He's down the road. Thank you, Leah. Yeah, babe. Apparently everyone can hear you doing the washing up. It's amazing, isn't it? I never could imagine it. I think Leah should make a thing out of it. Every morning she'll bang a different pot, and you have to guess: is it a frying pan? Is it a saucepan? What is it? Anyway, so past live streams. I just put this out. This is for the benefit of those asking about Virgin Orbit today. Look, we got a deal today potentially. Just came out 56 minutes ago. A deal. I explained it all, and who and why and where and what and my strategy. If you haven't watched it, why not? Why not? It's on past live streams. I'll give you the link. You might want to watch it right now. If you think, hang on a minute, what's the news? What's going on? What have I missed? You've always missed stuff. You're never up to date because I'm always live and you're always missing things. All right? You'll never be up to date with me. I'm always ahead of you. There you go. There you go. There's the link in the chat if you want to go and check it out. All right? Let's go back to the main position. Start a cooking channel. Yeah, thanks, Leah. Apple is overpriced. We pay a premium for top companies like Apple and Microsoft. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You pay a price. That's why when you buy Apple, you hold it. Now, you do trim, and I took some money off the top. There's Apple. I had $4,000 of Apple, and now I'm back at $3,000. I've already done my trimming. I've already done my profit. Now I hold forever. Okay? I'm up 9.35%. I earn a very small dividend. It's still regarded as a growth stock. That might not be the case forever. You never know. It's got global domination. It might start offering its investors, rather than selling out, a dividend. That can always happen. That could always happen. Right now, it's still a growth stock, but the growth is, the S-curve is flattened out. Let's be honest. Everyone's got an iPhone, right? However, there are potentially an Apple car around the corner. Who knows? There could be other growth spurts we get. But for me, I'm not trimming it anymore. I've made money. I hold it now. There it is. Now, it's 8% of my portfolio, as it should be. It's one of the best companies in the world. Of course it should be. Amazon is 15% of my portfolio, because this is a much better buy right now. Extremely expensive. However, beaten up. Look at it. It's down 38% over the year. It's down over the last, since its peak here, 126%. It's down, it's down like, 100% since the top of the market end of November. Of course, that was way overpriced. Everyone was buying it. We're getting over COVID. Everyone's on their apps online. Everyone's got stimulus checks. Everyone's going, oh, Amazon, the best company. I'll buy Amazon. And it kept going up. We know it's overpriced. However, I've got it. I'm up now, 0.12. I've got 56 shares. I'm buying more all the time. Every time it dips, my price targets, my buy-ins are $88. Now, I set buy orders for everything, because earnings reports, flash crashes, breaking news. Suddenly they say a war's broken out somewhere. Boom, everything goes down in 1 second. Set buy orders everywhere for the companies that you want to own. The fundamentals aren't changing just because some macro condition happens, an announcement happens. All right? Absolutely right. That's what I do. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit, sorry, that's not Virgin Orbit, is it? That's Virgin Orbit. There we go, going back down again. I said it would. I only have one share of Microsoft. You like me, mate? I'm like that. I've got 2.2. It's up 15%. I'm waiting for a pullback. Microsoft, great company. You're always going to own Microsoft. You got Apple, you got Microsoft, right? It's obvious. I want to own more. But all you got to do is set a buy and just leave it there. Just leave it there. If you're up 15% and you think, oh, I'd like this, set a 15% drop. Work out what 15% of that is. Okay? And go, all right, I want to buy it at 220. I don't know. For me, look, 200, it's about 220, I think it is. I beg your pardon, it's 240, isn't it? It's 240. Just set a buy order for 240. It can happen at any point. Anyway, morning, Martin. I missed all the action with Vorb this morning. What happened? Go and watch the bloody video. There's the video. I'm not going to tell you. You're too late. You snooze, you lose. I get up at 5 in the morning. I put the effort in when you're in bed. One of us has got to win. One of us has got to lose, right? Watch the bloody video. It's 5 minutes long. Don't be so cheeky as you are. Don't be so cheeky as you are coming on here. Hey, just tell me now. Be my private personal, YouTube channel. I just phone in. Excuse me. What's going on here? I want to know. Try and phone in the BBC. Get on the BBC News at 9 o'clock. Phone on in and say, excuse me. I want to know. They won't even pick up the phone to you, let alone talk to you live on the show like me. All right, here we go. Showtime. Rock and roll time. Ready? Here we go. Ooh. I'm having a go at Rob Brennan, my mate. Shouldn't do that. He's a good bloke. He knows I'm only joking. I think you're right, Sid. Get yourself a position, allocate how much you want, and just buy one and just... it always moves up and down. Tends to trend up though, but it has it up and downs. Bell going soon. Yeah, 30 seconds to go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's showtime. Okay, the markets are open on a Thursday, March the 23rd. Have you set your buy orders? Do you know what you want to do? Have you already got 1, 2, 3, 4 moves of the chess pieces ready to rock and roll? Have a look at Coinbase stock. I know. We were looking at it. Ali Tizro. It's shot all the way back down. Yeah, it's down 19% this morning. It's down. I'm up 77% on it. It's having a hell of a hit. I might buy some more Coinbase actually when it goes lower. But yeah, we've had a bit of a washout. Down 17%. I wonder actually, it's might be worth another go at that. We shall see. Okay, I've got plenty of money. I've got $3,000. I could buy Coinbase. Let's have a little look. Here we go. The S&P is going up 1.83. This is the reaction to yesterday's Fed report. Virgin Galactic going down. Ocean Biomedical. Virgin Orbit. There we go. As I said, exactly as I said, it would go down. There we go. My portfolio is up 1%. My Roth is up 0.25%. I've just broken new highs again. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look at it. Here's my position. My Roth IRA is going up. My portfolio is up. And I am up 48,630. So we're getting to new highs again. This is great. I love it. Let me just check my J&J. What is it doing? Coca-Cola, what's it doing? Okay. McDonald's, not letting me in yet. Amazon firing away. I think we've seen potentially the last of the $100. I don't think you're going to get it again for 88. I don't think you're going to see it again for 88. I've got to buy a crash flash. A flash crash. It happens. SEC are a joke, said Jason Fallon. Martin, I posted an older version of the richest companies in the world. Wow, please take a look. Martin, I posted an older version of the richest companies in the world. Wow, please take a look. Please take a look. Of course I will. I'm assuming it's in links for YouTube. I don't see it. I don't know where you posted it. Oh, you've sent me a direct message. Have you sent me a direct message? I don't know. Hang on. I got message requests. I can't find it at the minute. I'm looking in links for YouTube, and it's not in there. Oh, you posted it in the breakfast bar. Okay. I will take a look at it. It's got to be true. You found it on TikTok. Mike is down. Mike is down bad. Says Charles Benting. Rob Brennan. If I was a risk taker, I would buy space. I'd buy Vorb and space, but I am changed man and just putting money in my saved. Just putting in money in my saved that pays 2.3. You're very, very wise. Very, very wise. No, sorry, in the bar. Now I see it. What happened to the guy who made a clips channel for you? Yep. Martyn Lucas highlights. He has done absolutely sod all. Everyone does. Remember I've said to you 95%, 90% of YouTubers fail. They do. Fundamentally because they get lazy and they want it all for nothing. I'm not going to mention names, but many people here have made YouTube channels and said, Martin, help me, support me. And I do everything I can. They make 3 videos, do no more, and then go, it didn't work. You've got to commit to it. Commit to it. And I think what happened with our dear friend at Martyn Lucas Highlights, he did 3 videos, and he didn't get viral videos straight away for stealing all my content, which I even supported and helped him. And then it's doing nothing. And now YouTube will go, we've tried to find a match for the content. I will make one then, don't sue me. I will make one then, don't sue me. Go on then. You should do it. Ali, seriously, Ali, if you do make a YouTube channel, Martyn Lucas Highlights, it'll be great for you. And in fact, I'm going to give someone financial advice. I'm not allowed to give financial advice. I am going to give somebody here a top tip to guarantee 100% to make you money. 100%. As eggs are eggs. Who wants to make some money? If you want to make a YouTube channel and call it Martyn Lucas Investor Highlights or whatever you want to call it, take clips from my show, post them on your channel. First of all, you have got someone who's going to help you. Me, I'm going to promote it and get everyone to subscribe to it. Number one. Number two, you will, as my show grows, your channel will grow and you will get free money as long as you commit to it, put the work in, keep posting every day, do it all the time, and understand how the algorithm works. And I'm happy to share with you how it works. If you don't do the algorithm, all the thumbnails, all the tags, all the titles, you don't use all the proper stuff, then it won't work. But do it right. As my channel grows, you will be the official fan club YouTube channel. And if it was one of our members here, I'm sure everyone would love it. They would support you. You've got a guaranteed free channel. There can only be one rip-off, if you like, fan channel. There can't be 20 because the other 19 won't be successful, right? But the official one that's supported by the channel, guaranteed success. You don't have to do any work at all other than clip my stuff. I mean, it couldn't be bloody easier, to be perfectly honest. I've made the content for you. You're just posting it on the back of me. It's basically, think of yourself as a limpet. Think of yourself as a cockroach. No, think of yourself as one of those, what are those things called? What are those things called that stick on your body like that? Leeches. Think of yourself as a leech. If you don't mind being called a leech, you'll be fine. Boom, stick on and then suck my blood out like that. Suck it out, right? And I guarantee that you'll get a piece of my action. I'll help you, I'll promote you, we'll have fun with it, and I guarantee you'll make money. And in the end of this year, I'll be at 10,000 subscribers, you'll be at 1,000, I'm no doubt about it, and you'll be monetized and you can start earning money. Nothing in it for me, everything in it for you. But don't bother if you're not the sort of person that can commit to it. All right, there you go. There's my top tip of the day. Who's going to do that? Seen the votes on looping your music. Let's have a little look. Wow. There are, of 23 votes, there are, 12? So it's 11, 12. There are 12 people flipping heck. If 12 of you loop it and keep it going, it won't take more than a couple of days. And we'll be at 4,000 watch hours. Now, you need to check your computer to make sure it hasn't paused, because it can pause. So just make sure it's set, whatever. It doesn't matter what you watch. It's not about making ad revenue. I'm not trying to earn any money from it. It's just having the hours run. Wow, 12 people doing it. Bloody hell, we're on a good thing here. Right, there you go. I gave up with the highlights channel as there was a risk of getting struck. Rob Brennan, was it you doing it? Was it you? We never knew who it was. Was it you? Hang on. I will make one then. Don't sue me. Coinbase falls. Was it Rob? I gave up with the highlights channel as there was a risk of getting struck. No, you'll never get copyright because the copyright. Let me explain that. Let me explain. And was it you? Because I thought I told you this. Copyright only comes when the owner of the video, me, protests. So what happens is YouTube detects content that is yours, that has been copied by somebody else, okay? And it notifies me. I know about it. It tells me your video has been used by X. I have 3 choices. 1, to allow it. 2, to ask you to remove it, and hopefully you will, or 3, complain to YouTube and have you struck off. Okay? And all that would happen if I did that is you'd lose the channel. Okay? And I won't do that. For any of you, I won't do that. I will let you do every single thing you want. If you, for some reason, decided to be, I don't know, hateful and offensive and turn the channel into something really horrible, then yeah, then I will say, this ain't happening anymore. All right? If you suddenly started just being horrible, you can laugh, you can take the mick out of me, you can be funny, you can do what you like. That's fine. But if you were offensive, like really offensive, really, horrible, saying Martyn Lucas is a liar or something like that, then I would go, hey, hang on a minute. But if you're using my content for fun and jokes and laughing around and laughing at me, that's fine. I will never object. I'm joking, it wasn't me. But I would generally like to give it a try. Well, it's up to you guys. Whoever comes on top, I'll support you. I've gone from burnt sienna to gold, says Fusion 301. Fusion 301. Burnt sienna to gold. Fusion 301. You have a yellow badge now. You have a yellow badge. Yes. At a year, you'll have a gold one. You're not gold, I'm afraid. That's not gold. That's yellow. All right. Have we got any? Yeah, Mike's a gold. Mike, can you comment, Mike? Mike's gold. I'll show you what gold looks like. It ain't that. Even though I have to be honest, the yellow looks more like gold. The gold looks more like brown. Looks more like bronze, doesn't it? I know, it's ridiculous. Anyway, there you go. Can I edit clips together? You can do what you like. Yes, I won't. You do whatever you want. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to get involved in it. I'm just going to promote it, approve it, and let you do what you want. If you want some advice, when you've been a member for a year, Ali Tizro, you've obviously not been a member for a year. I can have a quick look. There you go. Hello. There's the gold badge. Oh, crap. Yeah. I want to be gold. I'm not bloody gold. Yeah. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah. Mike has a gold badge. Mike's been in the longest. See, Mike? He's the only one. Him and Bill are the only ones here who've got gold badges. And me, obviously. I was a member on day one. But anyway, obviously, be a member of your own channel, right? The reason why I'm the member of my own channel, see, people always say this to me. Why do you like your own comments on Twitter? Because I like everything. Why not give it a like? But why do you like I get that. I get so many comments like that. Why do you like your own video? Why not? I like making it. I like the video. Well, you shouldn't like your own video. Why not? Why can't I like my own video? Should I down-like it? I like it if I want. I like to live in a positive world. I like every single video I do. Every single post on Twitter. Oh, by the way, I'm the only one liking my posts on Twitter. I'd like to change that today, actually. Can anyone do me a favour? I'm sick of this, actually. Here's my Twitter. Go to my Twitter, every one of you, right now, and like the top 5 posts, because I'm sick of it. I'm the only one liking my own posts. And I'm getting abuse on StockWits. Why do you like your own posts? Well, I like everything. Do you want me to like yours? Say something nice then, and I'll like it. I was able to snag 3 more shares of J&J at 151. Did it go to 151? Ooh! 150.90. Did I get a buy? Ooh. That was an all-time low. Congratulations, Sid. You sneaked in there. I didn't see that. Ooh, you should have told me. Next time you got a deal like that, Sid, let me know. Ooh, I can't believe it. What did he get it for? What did it go for? 151. Oh, yes. Good for you, mate. Right. I set it for 149 because I'm already in now. Loads at 151. I want it to go at 149. See, I ain't paying 100. I'm not like you. I'm not paying 151. I'm special. Johnson Johnson gives me special deals, lets me buy at 149. Just for me, just for Martyn Lucas. They know that I've got this channel and they want to help me out. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is doing nice. I've gained some more shares. Virgin Orbit going right back down. Come on, 44. This is going perfect. Let's get 500 shares at 44, and now we're making money on Virgin Galactic. Let's have that go all the way up. I'm happy with 286 shares, because remember the golden rule, right? If you've bought it at 5, 6, 7, 8, you're following it up, you're now sitting on a precipice that could crash down 50%, 100%, right? Whereas if I'm buying it lower and all I've got is 286, and I don't mean to belittle that amount, everyone's portfolio is different, right? In my portfolio, it's 3%. I can have that go to zero and my portfolio won't even react. However, if it goes to $10 a share, which it could do easily, I've got what, nearly $3,000 for investing a minimal amount of money for me. So that's for me fine. In reality, I can let it go to $100 at this point and never sell it. That's what I like about it, and that's what I'd like to do. Just for the entertainment factor alone would be good, wouldn't it? Anyway, so where are we now? This is looking good. I've got some news here. Let me read these comments. How often should I post videos? Is one a day enough? Yep. And what are your thoughts on posting YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is the best way to promote your channel. Easiest way, YouTube Shorts. I do 5-10 shorts a day. You'll never make more videos than me. If you make more videos than me, we're gonna have words. All right? Shorts. Make as many shorts as you can. Shorts get you subscribers. Shorts get you views to promote your channel. I will actually do a special video. Actually, I'll do it today. I will make a special video today about how to grow your channel and how to do it. Excuse me a second. I got a little bit going into my computer and I just got it out. Sorry about that, guys. All right, I'll make a video and explain it. All right, I'll do a members only. I'll do a members only thing that you can see. Virgin Galactic up 5%. Like to load a Twitter. Mark's done it. Has everybody else done it? I am sick and tired of people on Stockwits going to me, "You're the only person who likes your posts." I said, "I don't care. I keep doing it." And guess what, folks? Guess what happened yesterday? You know, I've always said, keep on going. One day the algorithm will favor you and change. I've always said that. Keep on going. I multi-stream to many places at the same time. And remember, I've always said to you, I get no views at all on Facebook. None. 0. 1 or 2. Like 1 or 2. It's normally me and Leah. No, nothing. Facebook never shows my posts. Keep doing it. Keep testing. Keep finding a way to just tweak it. Yesterday, for the FOMC report, I had my highest ever video on Facebook ever in the history of everness. I had 352 views yesterday on Facebook. Get in. You saw all the comments coming up. I thought it was bots. It wasn't. It was real people. And great way to promote your channel. Facebook doesn't earn you any money, but you know, whatever. It's a great way to promote your channel. 350 views. I love it. Right, here we go. Coca-Cola, I've got to buy at 59. On my Roth, that is. Not in here. Yes. 59. 59. Order place. 59. There it is. 59. There's no chance I'll make as many as you, mate. I'm currently working 10, 12 hours a day plus weekends. Should go back to normal after end of March, though. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right, then. If your channel is more popular... Yeah, this is the caveat. This is the caveat. If you build a YouTube channel and it's got more subscribers than me, we're having words again. I hope it does. I hope you get a YouTube channel and you get a million. To be honest with you, the person that does the spin-off channel will probably get more subscribers than me, because people love the underdog and they love the channel that takes the mickey out of the main channel. It's great. You'll probably end up making more money than I will. So I like it. Anyway, Martin, I'm telling you, the video on the breakfast bar is so wild. Can you play for everyone when you get chance? Sorry to not at all, Mike. You're not spamming me at all. Most people are sparks. When the wind blows, they go out. Martin is a roaring flame. When the wind blows, he grows stronger. You're bloody right. You are bloody right, Rob Brennan. My family tree go back to the Knights Templar, by the way. And I never give up. I'm never going anyway. Days are getting longer at the moment. No eat or drink from 4 a.m. to 6:20. But soon it will be 4 a.m. to 8:30. Not as bad as last year. At least not in the peak of summer. Days are getting longer. Days are getting longer? That's good. That gives me more time to live then. I love it. Thank you, Ali, for that. 22, it's not unusual. What's not unusual? I missed a comment. Haven't seen Tom Jones and John Legend on the channel recently. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. Oh yeah, I can do that. In fact, I've got a button here. I've got a button. Watch this. I don't know, will it work? Will it work? I don't know if it works. I'm not going to do it. I don't know if it works. I'm not going to try. Yes, I am. 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 Going to do it. Right, ready? 1. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. When I see you walking about with anyone. What am I doing? I know you want to see the hip swaying, but you're not getting that. You got to pay super chats for that. I haven't seen Tom Jones and John Legend on the show for a while. Oh! Oh, I see where you're going with that now. I know. That's secret. Liked a lot of the Twitter posts. Thank you. Martin, I'm telling you, I'm going to watch that. Most people are sparks. There you go. Do I have to share the profits? No. It's all yours. Enjoy yourself. Have a holiday. What on earth is going on here? Ali Isles? Ali Isles, we are giving someone an opportunity to have a blow up YouTube channel. Guaranteed 100%. But it takes work and effort. Space going up, Vorb going down. No surprise. Can you do Adele, Martin? Yeah, I can. I need my piano for that, though. Knights Templar was supposed to celibate. That's the rebel gone. George Semaine. Hey, they used to comment in the chat in the early days. Engelbert Umperdink. Engelbert, you want Engelbert? Here we go. Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. You'd waste our lives, would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. Now tell me that's not the best. Now tell me that's not the best Engelbert Humperdinck impression you've ever seen. If you think that's the best Engelbert Humperdinck you've ever seen on a YouTube channel in the history of the world ever, particularly an investment channel, everyone needs to give me a 99 pence or 99-cent tip. If you think that's the best Engelbert Humperdinck impression you've ever heard on YouTube, if you don't, then you don't. 1 cent, I reckon. 99 cents, 99 pence. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens to that. Bloody hell. People used to pay 50 quid to come and see me in the theatre. I know how good that is. I know how good that is. Yeah, I know how good I am. I know. I know how good that is, so I expect every single person to tip me $1 now, and if they don't, there's going to be hell up. Right, bills away. There you go. Oh, God. Oh, bloody hilarious. I hope it sounded all right. I don't even know what it sounded like. Hang on. I need to rewind it. I need to find what that sounded like. I need to know. Now tell me that's not the best Engelbert Humperdinck impression. So release me and let me love again. All right, that sounded all right. I peaked the microphone a little bit. I'll make sure I don't peak it as much next time. Now I know if I sing, because I don't normally sing from this position, because it's not normally what you do on an investment channel. Let's be fair. Most people don't sing on an investment channel. So, to be fair, oh, I love it. Did I get any? Mike, Bill, and Eric. I love it. I'll do a mass super chat celebration in a minute. Oh, brilliant! That's bloody hilarious. Never in the history of the world. The S&P's going up. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio. The Roth is going down 48.6. We're at a new time high. Let's have a look here. There we go. 48.6 is a new all-time high. That's good. We like that. It's going to come up quickly now, though, if we get J&J going up. 48.645. I think it's going to move up to 650. There it is. Thought that was going to happen. How did I know that? It's magic. Jason Fallon, look at this. I got 4. Brilliant. Hang on a minute. What did I put here? There's 15 of you now looping my videos. We're going to get there. It could take literally just a few days at this rate. It could even, if everyone did it all day today, it'd be today. It would be like unbelievable. 15 of you, get in. Okay. I can see I didn't do a good enough job. There's not enough people here. I've got, four people thought it was the best Engelbert Humperdinck impression in the world. Only 4. So I need to try harder. And I need to do, hang on, I'm going to try harder. So for those of you that didn't think that was a good impression of Engelbert Humperdinck, which it probably wasn't, I'm just saying it is, I'm just saying it. Just because I say it doesn't really count. If I say it's great, it must be great, right? So I'm going to try another one then, right? Because there's 48 of you watching, and clearly I didn't do a good enough job with Engelbert Humperdinck. So I'm going to try a bit harder. We're going back to Virgin Orbit. We're expecting that to go down. And Virgin Galactic is going up nicely now. I've added to my position. I'm so excited that I'm up on that now. So I'm going to try a bit harder. And if this is not the best impression you've ever heard in your life, ever, of the voice of Michael Jackson, you give me nothing. If you think it's the best impression you've ever heard on YouTube, on an investment channel, in the history of the world ever, ever, you've got to give me a super chat. The smallest amount is fine, right? This time, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Jackson. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. Though you're far away, 'cause I am here to stay. You never said goodbye. There you go, Michael Jackson. I never heard the guy. I never heard of him. You've never heard of him. You've never heard of Engelbert Humperdinck. Well, in that case then, just assume it was brilliant. Because like everybody else tipped me. So everybody, be like a sheep, be like a lemon, and just follow everybody else. Everybody else thought it was the best impression in the world. They all thought it was amazing. So clearly, just go with that. Church of Logic is here. Here he is. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Okay, Church of Logic. By the way, Rob Brennan and Ali Tizro, if you're the two guys doing the Martyn Lucas fan channel, you've got some gold nuggets today. I guarantee your YouTube channel, if you do it right, will make more money than my channel, because it will, but it requires effort and work. The last guy that did it gave up, and if you do it, I'm at 1 million views in 85 days, 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I will get everyone to subscribe to you and have a lot of fun. Piano Man song. You want to hear Billy Joel? Billy Joel. Sing us a song on the Piano Man. Sing us a song tonight. We're all in the mood for a melody. You've got us feeling alright. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da. There you go. I bet you never expected this when you got up this morning, did you? You never expected it. You never expected it. There we go. Virgin Galactic is up 6.39%. My man Rob, here he is. Rob Brennan, we love Church of Logic. There's a little romance going on here. All three of us on YouTube at the same time debating is enough entertainment. The Michael Jackson impression was great. Right then. All right. Okay. I didn't get very many tips for the Michael Jackson. I only got one from Eric B. I'll try harder. Okay. Andre Bocelli. Time to say goodbye. Sunavi be Marie che la soy. No, it's gonna be it. It's time to say goodbye con me. Batero. Sunavi be Marie che la soy. No, it's gonna be it. Con me. Right, stick that in your pipe and bloody smoke it. If that don't do it, I'm buggered. That's my best I can do there. Rob Brennan, I'm giving you gold here. I don't know if you realise it. I'm giving you gold that you can use on your joking mess around fan channel that I promise you everybody will watch, everybody subscribe to, and you'll make money. It's free money sitting there. You just copy the video, download the video. Anything that comes through from any of my members, I will not flag it. I will allow it to go through, and you'll make money. And I wish you the very best. The rip-off channels can make more money than the main channels. Everyone loves the jokey channels. You got a real opportunity to make some money, and I hope one of you will pick it up and run with it. I'm giving you all the flipping stuff you need now. Okay, yesterday. You want Paul McCartney? Boo! Church of Logic comes in here and he boo! Bloody hell! No need for that. Is there, church? I'm giving me heart and soul here. I'm giving me heart and soul. I pay good money, eh? I pay good money. You want Paul McCartney yesterday? He wants yesterday. All right. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. All I needed was a place to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. It's too flippin' easy. This is too easy. I should have done this years ago. I should have started a music channel. Imagine finding this thinking it was a channel about investing. You'd think Martyn had gone mad from the market like Kramer. That's great. Exactly. There are some people who tune into this channel today and go, what the bloody hell was that all about? What the hell? Space is going up a lot. I know. Don't you just love it? But again, don't follow a pump. It's just great. You should already be in. It's easy to make money on the stock market. Remember that. It's easy. The hard part is to keep it. Don't buy a pump. Invest. Do research. Know why you want. It's Carson with a K. Carson with a K. Know why you're investing. Don't just buy because everybody else is buying. You want to be in at the bottom of the ladder. That's what you're very welcome. Thank you very much indeed. Redbone. Charles, what's going on there? Redbone? Who's Redbone? I could do Willie Nelson. I could do Louis Armstrong. Who else can I do? I could do Pavarotti. Who else can I do? Richard Marx. Mr. Closing Bell Show. We're doing one tomorrow night. We'll do one tomorrow night. Went from 52 to 39 views. Was there 59? Was there 52 watching to 39 views? People are so miserable. Yeah, it's Sodom. Sodom, it doesn't matter. I don't care. It's all about my members, right? It's all about the audience. If you get random people coming in wondering what's going on, and do you know what? The best way to invest that most people don't understand, and I mean that, the best way to invest and make money is get a good temperament. Be happy, do your research, calm, relaxed, and stand back and have some fun. All right? Because this whole market is a game, and you've got to play the game to win. You cannot win unless you recognize it is, in fact, a game. It's a game that we are being played. We are the pawns in the game. So, if you come in here and all you are is a keyboard warrior on Reddit and you're silly and you're not putting any work or effort in, you just want to get rich for doing soddle, you will lose. If you come on here, invest and work hard and have a bit of fun, sing a few songs, I guarantee you'll make money. Well, it works for me. There we go, 48,697 all-time high today, and all this is happening on the back of J&J reaching new time lows. So this is very, very exciting for me, anyway. Gotcha. It's absolutely right. It's a game, isn't it? Right. Rob Brennan, Martin, what does my highlights channel need to start making? You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs. 1,000 subs. But don't go in with it thinking I'm going to make money next week, because you will fail. Okay? I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell everybody exactly how it is. All right? It takes time. But it doesn't take. It's not hard. It's not hard if you don't mind putting work in. Oh, my camera's frozen. Bear with me. Hang on. I'm fixing it. This camera's frozen. There you go. Fixed it. I'm going to do something here now. Hang on. I'm going to put a fan back here. Look, I'm putting a fan back here, folks. I'm going to put a fan there. I'm readjusting. And I'm putting a fan there. There you go. Okay, I put a fan behind the one of my USB hosts. Let's see if that makes a difference. All right. Okay, here we go. J&J got bad news and the markets are reacting. So my overall portfolio is doing well. Just got 4,000 from Arbitrum airdrop. It's a good day. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations, Dan. Good for long term. Anyone have thoughts on Rio Tinto? Yes. Make sure that you buy it at the bottom of the commodities market, though. That was the funniest show I've ever watched that day. Martin was shell-shocked. What was that? He won't mention Pop Smoke. What was that? iMates, gotcha. Martin does... What channel was that? He needs to sing Pop Smash. Oh, yeah. We're not going there again. Project Freedom. In the morning, fell asleep at the wheel. 10 of concrete culvert. Ended up in the hospital for 2 weeks. Lost... What's this? 2004. In the morning, fell asleep at the wheel. 10 of concrete culvert. Sorry, I have no idea what you mean, Project. What is that? Check Ford. Of course I will. Do it right now. I've always found subs on YouTube a bit suspect. How can it be that a sub count is always much higher than the number of views? It's not. It's not. YouTube subscriptions mean absolutely nothing, other than certain benefits get turned on, and the only real benefit is at 1,000 you get monetized, 10,000 you can get the merch shelf and the charitable donations, and at 100,000 you get the plaque. That's it. Nothing else is important, but you do need 1,000 subscribers to be able to monetize. That's the only real benefit to you. 2% today. Ever heard of London Drill Rap? No, mate, never heard of it. Never heard of it. All right, let's move on a second. I need to focus here a little minute. We've had a bit of a laugh. It's all great. This is phenomenal. We've just broken another all-time high, 48,793. We could be at 50,000. The markets, here's my take on yesterday. This is what I think. We've had a very long long bear market. A very long bear market. Remember, people make money. Yes, they can make money on shorting a stock. But overall, people want the markets to go up. That's the best way to make money, right? On investing, right? People want the markets to go up. And we've had people who live and breathe investing. Kind of like me, I suppose. But I mean the real investors, the ones that work at Wall Street. And they've had a year and a half of continually going down. People want the markets to go up. So what does that mean? People are getting tired and they want to go, let's just buy it. Let's just buy in. Okay, you buy in, the markets go up. What happens then? Oh, should I do a Graham Stepan? I'll do a Graham Stepan. All right, here's Graham Stepan talking about this. Right, he's constantly doing this, right? So they buy into the market. They want to buy in. But however, I can't keep doing that. People think I've gone bonkers. So basically, people will buy in, but then it will be dropped. So what you want to do as an investor is, what I'm doing is I'm not buying any pumps. I only ever buy when things go down. And of course, the higher we go, the more likelihood that your all-time lows will get safer and safer. Because if we look at the stock market over time, if we do it day by day, we see all the ripples, week by week, month by month, even year by year. But if we look at it over the 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, we see a line like this. And that's what you got to do, step back. So you don't want to be following the trend and buying when everybody else is buying. You've already bought in. And then you can be like my mate who owns millions of shares of Amazon, and Amazon can drop 40% in a day, and you're still 10,000% up. Can you do John Wayne or Dean Martin? I can do Dean Martin, Project Freedom. Yeah. I can do Dean Martin. So anyway, can you do John Wayne? So that's the way I see it. The way I see it is this is phenomenal. Tech will save us. Tech is the stuff that we need to get us out of the problem. But why? I mean, the market should be down after yesterday's Fed report, but they're going up because people want to make money. And people are greedy, and people are lazy, and people buy in, and everyone buys in, and it goes up crazy. Great, brilliant if you're already in. I'm not doing any of that stuff. I'm buying nothing on green days. I only buy on red days. Last night, I bought 2 J&J when it went to 151. This is now a new time low for me. I've got to buy it at 100. In fact, what was my buy-in yesterday? I could buy some now manually. It's not a bad idea. Let me have a look. Let's go to my Roth. 151. Let's have a little look. I bought it at 152, 151, 151.15 is my lowest. I've not bought it at 150. So 150, this is my all-time low. I've got it set to buy when I'm not watching it at 148. 150. This is an all-time low. I like it. The dividends alone are worth it. I'm just trying to think. 150. Let's look on the chart a minute. Not that I care about the chart, but I know some of you do. Let's have a look and see if it's oversold. Not really. It was yesterday. It was. Now it's heading up. But again, you have to look at that in more detail. It got as low as 150. I like it at this level. It got slightly lower, 150.58. I've got money to buy it even lower. Let's visit it. It wasn't the Fed that triggered yesterday's selling. It was Yellen saying the Treasury weren't looking at broadening depositor protection. Limit order. Okay, here we go. End poll. Thank you ever so much indeed. There's like 15 of you are watching my videos. That's incredible. Here we go. Start a poll. Should I buy J&J? Yes or no? Should I buy J&J? Here we go. I've just got to beat. How long will it take to reach 1,000 subs, Martin? I'll do it for the love of it, rather than money. How long did it take you to reach 1,000 subs? It took me. Don't ever compare to somebody else, though. Everyone's channel is completely different. How long did it take me to get to 1,000 subs? Was it about 9 to 10 months? Ricky Dominic, we've got a new member. Right, we'll come back to that in a second then. Ricky Dominic, would everybody please welcome Ricky Dominic? He's just become a member of our channel. I'm waiting, George Semaine says. I'm going to wait a bit longer then. What the hell? Just because I want to focus on my member. So first of all, let's celebrate and let's give... would everyone please put their city and country in and welcome our new member to the channel. And I'm going to give you all your perks and benefits, and there are many. All right, so here we go. First of all, let's celebrate. We've got a new member, and that's Ricky Dominic. And everyone put your city and country in, and let's welcome him in. Here we go. There we go, Ricky Dominic. Thanks a lot, mate. Appreciate it. Awesome stuff. Thanks ever so much. You've got a new member. Now, Ricky, you get a blue badge, which will turn green, which will go yellow, and then gold, and then ultimately red. Your perks and benefits grow over time. You, as a bronze member, you can have many perks. If you are a YouTuber, you need to be silver to go on the homepage of my channel, where I will subscribe to follow you back and that kind of stuff and promote your channel. But as a bronze member, you get access. First of all, you can have a poll. Ask me a question and do a poll on it, and I will do it. Also, I will. You can have. There are exclusive videos only members see. If you go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, look at the homepage of the YouTube channel. There are exclusive videos only you can see. You can now see that. You can also come to our event in New York this year. We're going to have an event at New York Stock Exchange, and we do it every year. We all get together. You can come to that. You can also access Discord now as a member and see all the exclusive content. You can call in live to the show. Let me give you the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes to get through because of high security. All right. Here is the Discord link. Come into the Welcome All channel and I will upgrade you live on the show. I only do it live on the show so I can share with you all your benefits and do it properly. All right. The Welcome All channel is this one here. Let me give it to you. A minute. Okay, here's the Welcome All. Here's the Welcome All. Right, the Welcome All screen is here. You'll see it on the left-hand side. Come into Welcome All here, and I will then upgrade your account live on the show. You can then also call in. If you go down to the broadcast lounge, you can call into the show, be on the show. You can get all the discounts if you want the tips from Ali Tizro's Crypto Challenge. Many perks and benefits. But most importantly, you're part of the family and you're helping, you are supporting the live shows. I don't make any money from live shows. I live on the members' memberships. That's how I live. If I wanted to make money, I just do short videos. That's how to make money. But the members are what pay for the live show. It's why I'll always be live up to 10 hours a day for my members. All right? Okay, so once you get in the Discord, let me know. I will see you over there and I'll upgrade your account. Okay, on the homepage of the YouTube channel, here is all the members only videos, live streams, and so on. And we have members only chats and all sorts. Here is the members only. Just scroll down here a second. Computer's a bit slow this morning. There you go. There's the members only video. See there, look? That's the members only videos, and you can access all of those now. All right. When you come through to Discord, I will upgrade you. All right. Now I want to thank everybody sincerely for all of the super chats I got. I got so many for the songs that I wanted to do one super chat for everybody. So thank you ever so much. Here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Thank you ever so much. All right. Thanks a lot for that. I wanted to do it once for everybody. All right. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. There were so many. It was amazing. All right. Hello, family. I'm from Southern California, Los Angeles. Let's make some money together. Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. So, let's look at what's going on now. The overall portfolio is still just under an all-time high. We've got the S&P just falling back slightly. Virgin Galactic has risen a bit. I'm not buying any more at the moment anyway. Virgin Orbit, there's a buy at 44 cents. Get in. This is good. I could have a nibble right now. This is okay. 56 is okay. We can bounce it off 56. I'm just really pushing my luck at 44. However, you need to, because every reason it could go bankrupt. So are you prepared to throw money at a lottery ticket? That's what this is. That's why my buy is at 44 cents. All right, let's watch it now. 55 cents. We're ready to buy it at 44. I've got a buy order in place. It might bounce from here. I don't know. But I'm expecting it to go bust, so I don't see it. However, I could be wrong. J&J was about to buy more. 150, 54. $150, $60, 1. Got a security check. I hate when this happens, so just bear with me. I need to send you to my screen over here. Got to do a security check. Let me send you over there while I do a security check. Keep me logged in for 30 days. Yes, keep me logged in for 30 days. Continue. I've got to now do all the security, what you have to do. Moose! Here he is. Here he is. Here's our original gold member. Gold badge with a gold membership. Here he is. Legend in the house. You've missed some fun today, Moose. You've missed 7 singing impressions. You've missed all kinds of drama. All right. I got it 150.63. Sorry, 150.60. Okay. There you go. I'm now down 5.92. Okay. Portfolio is heading up. My Roth is heading up. I've just bought more J&J. There you go. It's just tipping up. The Roth IRA is coming up. I'm at 48,000. Here we go. 48,800, just about there. I need hours of video views on my Moose channel to get it. I need hours of videos, video views on my Moose channel to get it. To get what? What is it you want to get? I was just telling someone how to Moose. I'm not to get what? What is it you're trying to get? I don't understand what you're trying to get. There we go. Coming up now. Look at that. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, new all-time high. Could reach 49,000 today. Ho, ho. All-time record again. Right. There we go. Here we go. The S&P is up 2.32. Moves. I'm not sure what you mean. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. You can call in if you want to call in. I'm waiting for our new member, Ricky Dominic, to come onto Discord so I can upgrade you. Here, I'm waiting for you here in the welcome all here. And once you appear here, we can upgrade your account because you are now a YouTube member. Virgin Galactic, up. Virgin Orbit, 55. I've got a buy at 44 cents to buy 500 shares. I expect we've got the deal perhaps coming off today. I do expect it to go bankrupt though. However, I'm prepared to buy 500 shares purely speculative at this point. Oh, to be monetized. I need hours on videos. Oh, to get monetized. You need 4,000 watch hours. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Moose. If you want to, I can tell you, because you know I always tell everyone the truth. I can tell you a few things that you can do to improve your videos. There are a few things you're doing right, but there's a few things you're doing wrong, which is holding you back. If you want to call me as a gold member, you get 2 1-hour Zoom, Discord online calls a month. Call me after the show, and I will tell you exactly what you're doing wrong, which is keeping your channel down. There's a few things that you need to do that you're not doing right now, and I will gladly tell you what they are, but it take a bit of detail and time. So give me a call, and I'm more than happy to explain it to you. If you are serious about monetizing your channel, you know my channel wasn't active for over a year. I know. You need to be consistent, but there's a few things that you need to do to make your channel successful. Okay? There's a number of things I can tell you. So if you've got the time, the most important investment yourself, obviously, is yourself. So invest, half an hour, give me a call, and I will, talk you through it. Sounds good. You got it. Okay. Virgin Orbit. I'm not buying it at 57. No. 44, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I don't mind. It could be bankrupt by today. J&J, where are we? I've got a buy at 149. 149. I'm letting that one sit there. Just bought one. I'm very, very happy. It's trending down. Some of you are holding. There it goes. Mainly, this is not because of the talcum powder court case, by the way. This is because of the uncertainty when the company splits. And it's a good thing. But the markets don't like uncertainty. That's why it's going down. And I'm happy about that. That's just presenting me with a golden opportunity. So I will keep buying it on the way down. Here's my overall position now. Up 1.56. Roth's going down. That's because predominantly now because of J&J. If you look at it, VU is going up, Tesla's gone up, Amazon's gone up, Coinbase is trying to rebound back, Rolls-Royce is up, Tilray is moving up, still down on it. Mullen, obviously, we're out of Mullen. I've got 1,200 shares now. I'm buying more at 10. I said I'd buy more at 10. We are now at 10. This is where I said I'd buy another 100. Okay, another $100 worth. So let's go to Mullen. This is what I said I would do. And I said I would. So here we go. Hang on a minute. Duplicate. Mullen. I'm doing exactly what I said I would do. Mullen. Mullen. There we go. I said when it hit 10, I would. Buy Mullen, limited order, limit price, 11 cents. 11 cents is fine. And, whoops, I need to go to the brokerage account. Roth IRA, that's where I'm buying it. This is very speculative, good for the day, 10, 11, so 100,000 shares, 1,000 shares. There you go. Allowed to execute. Review the order. 11 cents. Review the order. 1,000 shares. Done. There you go. That's it. I am in. There's no point going any lower. It's the lowest share I've ever bought. That is purely for entertainment purposes only, purely for fun, and talking to Musanella about it and others. It could be a bit of fun at that. 2,220 shares. I'm just going to hold it. It's in my Roth IRA. It's a long-term investment. It'll either go to zero or it'll make me money. That's it. It can't go any lower. Well, it can, of course, go any lower, but any lower, it's just 10 cents. All right, you're buying the whole bloody company. Let's look at the value now. 176 million. Okay, We've got the earnings expected May 15th, which is a couple of months away. That's it. It doesn't matter now how low it goes. I don't care how low it goes. It can go to 1 cent for all I care. Makes no difference how low it goes. I'm not buying anymore. That's $237. It's either going to go to zero and I'm throwing away $200, or I'm going to make a stack of money. I don't care. Okay? That's it. That's me done. I said I'd buy at 15, 13, 10. No more. That's it. Now I can forget it. Forget it. Never look at it again, and leave it for 5 years. I don't care if it goes to $5. I'm going to keep it long term, or it's going to go bankrupt. That's it. The plastic cup holder my fast food drink is worth more than that stock. Mullen, yeah. I'm doing this from Moose and Ella's information that I've got. Are you far from Wolverhampton? Let's go for a beer. Who's Al talking to? I'm in Dallas, Texas. So long way from you. I'm sure you're not talking to me. Anyway, there we go. Okay. Vanguard. 10 cents. I never saw our new member come into Discord, so I can't upgrade you, I'm afraid. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a second. And where are we right now? Okay. Let's. If you see a commercial break, you can skip the ad. Here's a quick break. S&P. Mullen, just for fun. Virgin Galactic is holding up. Virgin Orbit, we should have news today. 56. Its services, let's read some of the comments here. IT services firm Accenture PLC on Thursday said it would cut around 19,000 jobs and lower its annual revenue and profit projections as mass firings at top tech companies continue worldwide. Indeed. Virgin Orbit is now at 55 cents. I'm not buying it until it gets to 44 cents. Rivian. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. Arnold the Palmer is Margin Boy. Here he is. Here's Margin Boy. How are you? All in on 5x margin. All in 5x margin on Mullen. Rob Brennan, I know you're joking, right? Tell me you're joking. Virgin Galactic is pretty much a day trade at this point. I don't quite see it that way. Coca-Cola, 59, 150, 149. J&J still dropping. Can you sing like Diana Ross? I can do Whitney Houston. Yes, I can do Whitney Houston, definitely. Time for a beer, says Neptunian. Not today. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. Next Era Energy, these are all my stocks that I'm looking at. Enphase, very nice. Bitcoin up 0.28. Let's go over now to Tilray's up. Let me just finish this first. Robinhood 8.4. I can sing soprano. Very cool. I've got a 5.5 octave range for those of you that are interested. I get asked that a lot. Are you a baritone, tenor, alto, soprano, bass? I cover 5.5 octaves, which covers pretty much all of those. Anyway, but I'm an alto actually. Or yes, I'm an alto. Meta 205's broken through. Okay, the overall position now. Mullen is now 10. The Roth IRA. We are just $25, $20 away from an all-time high. 48,800 is my all-time high. So we're just $20 away from that. The Roth IRA is now coming back up again, and the main brokerage account is still going up. So we're just $15 away from an all-time high. 20 times margin space is a good idea. Just go 100 times. Just go 100 times. Why not? You know. Okay. I think I'm going to stick with you a little while longer, because we could get some. I'm checking all my Bloomberg feed. I'm checking my Twitter, my Reddit, my Discords, everything for news on Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic. And let me have a quick bring up to date. Riksbank Thedin says inflation must come down significantly. Yeah, the Fed are committed to that. That's good. Meat packers shares jump as China resumes Brazil beef imports. This is good. The portfolio is looking strong. I want to hear Wendy. Who's Wendy? I want to hear Wendy. Who's Wendy? You want to hear you want to hear Judy Garland, Over the Rainbow? I can do Over the Rainbow as well. Right. My range trumps Martyn Lucas. So you've got a 6-octave range, have you? Okay. Well, you're less than 0.5% of the professional singers. So you're very unique then. I'm looking now. Have I just hit a new all-time? Yeah, $5 away from an all-time high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay with you. I'm going to take a 5-minute break. I'll see you back in a minute. It's looking very exciting. We've got hopefully news from Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic coming. I've got buys at 44 cents. I used to do musicals. Very nice indeed. I was the Phantom of the Opera in London. Look. Nighttime sharpens, heightens each sensation. Close your mind, start a journey through a strange new world. Leave all thoughts of the world you knew before. Close your eyes, let the music start to be. For those of you who don't know, look, here it is. Here it is. My actual Phantom of the Opera mask I wore in Phantom of the Opera. It's made of leather. There you go. That's the actual Phantom of the Opera mask. There you go. Hang on, let's do that. Look, there's my eye. Look. Oh, there you go. Okay. That's my big claim to fame. You are great at that song, Martin. Thank you ever so much, Mike. My portfolio has 10-octave range and is currently contrabass. George Semaine, I love that. I absolutely love that. That's bloody hilarious. Yes, I performed as a Phantom in London. Yes, I have. Indeed. I'm going to take a very short break. I'm going to go back to here The portfolio is looking good. We are waiting for Virgin Orbit to go down to 44 cents. We're seeing Virgin Galactic pop up. Mullen, we just bought another few shares at 10. It's going up. I've lowered my average. I'm not buying any more. It can go as low as 1. I don't give a damn. I'm not buying any more. Got all the shares in the world. That's the problem with the internet. You can come on here and say anything, and no one can prove otherwise. Yes, you can. Yes, there's loads of information on Google about me as the Phantom of the Opera. Thousands and thousands of websites. Go and check it out. Yeah. Yeah. I did Phantom of the Opera in Covent Garden in London. Yes, I did. If you're going to go and check it out as much as you want. There are loads and loads of websites and videos and God knows what else. You can see me in one night in Vegas, touring with 7 years, singing Phantom of the Opera with the orchestra. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go for a very short break. And I'll be right back in a few minutes' time. All right? Don't go away. We're watching Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, and we're just about to break new highs. In fact, we've just broken another new high. 48th. I taught Elton John all he knows. 48,817. Not you donut. I know. But remember, like I've always said, you have to explain everything. Some people come in and see part of the video they don't know. So it's very important. I understand how all this works, and it's very important to always clarify every question, even though it's obvious to all of my members. So there we go. We got a new all-time high. Looking fantastic. And wow, it's accelerating as well. The S&P is literally pumping like crazy now. I'm up 2.5% on it now. 1.43 today. This is ridiculous. The market is overheated. No question about it. Stocks are being... Oh my God! Look at my Roth. Look at that. I'm going to hit 49,000. This is ridiculous. People are paying overpriced. It's mental. It's mental, but it's because people are buying overpriced. They're paying anything for the stocks, and that's absolutely fine. That suits me down to the ground. I'm just buying when it goes down. Now everyone's buying it when it goes up. Crazy. The markets are all overvalued. We could be at 49,000 in a few moments. Won't take long. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised by the time I come back from my break, I'll be at 49 grand. And then 50 grand is just around the corner. With my dividends alone, I've got maybe $200 come in, so that'll be good. Rock and roll. Halfway there to my target for this year, and it's only March. Brilliant. Okay. J&J's pumping up. Oh, I don't know if I can even go. 48,876. I'm gonna have to go for a short break. See you back in a few minutes. You don't want to go anywhere. This is way too exciting. Okay, we are back with you once again, and boy, was that a good time to buy J&J. Anyway, let's have a look where we are now. We could even be at 50,000. I don't know if we're quite there, but let's have a quick look. Oh my flipping God. Something is exploded. Let's have a look. Here we go. Here we go. Have we got the $50,000 for the very first time on the channel? 48,954. So we're nearly at 49,000. 50 bucks to go. 49 grand. This is phenomenal. I cannot believe this. Hope you bought some more space, dude. Yes, I did, said Lewis. I did indeed. Rather hear the fan than the on a break music. You haven't uploaded my new picture with the black coffee cup, mate. Yes, I know I haven't yet, Moose. I haven't yet. I've got to do a new title. I will do that today. Let me write it down then. I will do it. I will do it now. Mug picture for Moose. Okay. Let me do that today. There you go. That's in the list today. I've got so many things on my list. Dang, I think what happened there? One world currency. What's going on here? I'm missing something there. Look at that. 48,959. The Roth IRA is just taken off. Let's see what's doing it. Let's have a look. So, the S&P. Mullen. I bought my last dose of Mullen this morning. Buying no more. Thank you. You're very welcome. And we're going to speak later, right? Virgin Galactic 420. Yep. Let's go to my main position, my brokerage account. I bought more. However, I'm holding it now. It's 3.3% of my portfolio. That's where it should be. Virgin Orbit, trying to buy it for 44 cents down the road from me in Dallas, Texas. Patience Young Jedi. Patience Young Jedi. Is that our new member? We had a new member today who wants upgrading on Discord. Ricky Dominic, are you Patience Young Jedi? Is this you? I need you to confirm it's you in the YouTube channel, in the chat, so I can upgrade your account. Is this you? We've just got someone come in. This is Ricky Dominic. He's saying it's Ricky Dominic. Somebody could be pretending to get all your perks and benefits. I need you to confirm, Ricky Dominic, this is you in the chat. On YouTube, and I will upgrade you. So I need Ricky Dominic. Is he still here? Let me just double check, and I can upgrade his account live on the show. Ricky, yes, he is. Ricky, confirm. Confirm. It's you on Discord. Okay. We need to make sure the member we get to the right person. There are people all the time coming in Discord pretending to be somebody else to claim benefits, and we can't have that. Right, Virgin Orbit, we're holding. We're holding to buy at 44 cents. Let me read some of the comments here. Try now, get Alexis to call or join the show or say hello. Try now. What do you mean, try now? Bill, Alexis, your friend, can call into the show just like you can. All she's got to do is come into the show in the chat, and I'll send her to Discord, and she can phone in. It's open. She's open. She can call in any time she wants. Anybody can. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, 150.85. We're down just 5.7 now. That's really good. Trying. Thank you, Bill. Good stuff. Cool. Going up. 48,931. Nearly 49,000. Just waiting for IonQ also shooting up. IonQ, yep. This is good. I'm out of the stock right now. I'm waiting for a drop. I used to be in it. It's quantum computers. I like what they do. But I'm not in it right now. I want to be back in that, but I'm not right now. We're waiting for Ricky to come back in again so we can upgrade his account. IonQ, Canoe, Ford, Rio Tinto, Meta is now broke 206. Overall position. Virgin, the S&P. The S&P is still 41% of my portfolio. That's good. That's where it needs to be. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Ricky Dominic, if you are watching, please do come in and I'll upgrade you on Discord. Let's get a quick update because we had a poll. Let's have a look. Should I buy J&J? No, I'm going to end that now because it, for me, was the right thing to do. No news on Vorb yet. No. I put a video out earlier today. I hope you checked it out. About the breaking news or the latest news. Past live stream, there we go. Deal today in Dallas. That's where I am. I'm trying to get hold of the Brown family to interview them, but so far no news, which makes me think: is it even real? It could be Virgin Orbit trying to pump the stocks so they can, so Richard Branson can get his money out. That's what I would do. That's what I would do if I was trying to manipulate the stock. Makes sense. Tell everybody you got a buyer. Or you have got a buyer, don't tell everybody you got a buyer, and down she goes. All right, Ricky Dominic, okay, can you confirm this is you on YouTube? Can you confirm this is you on Discord? I know it sounds silly, but people pretend to be people on Discord all the time. Is this you, Ricky? Just say yes, and I can update your account. I'm going to start updating it now because I'm assuming it's you. First thing I've got to do is give you a nickname the same as you are on YouTube so everyone knows it's you, because we're a financial channel and we're all about honesty and protecting everyone's accounts, because we have people coming in pretending to be members here all the time. Ricky Dominic. Yes, it's me. Fantastic. You are now a member, so I'm going to now upgrade you, because at the moment you can only see... Now, I've only changed your name on my channel, on my server. You're whoever you want to be, wherever you are, just in here, okay? So I'm now going to give you YouTube membership. Roles. This is how you know who you're speaking to on our channel. There you go. You are now a member, Ricky Dominic. Okay, now Ricky, if you go over here, you can see the broadcast lounge. Click on that. You can call in either by video, or you can call in via just a phone call. It's free. You call in, you can see. And now you can access all the members. Ed Nevius's tips, Ali in the morning, we have our scalp tips. Ali, all free, provided to you as a member. You can see Ali Tizro's tips, Moose's tips. He's a professional trader. He's in here now. You can see all these exclusive things here. Brilliant. There you are. You're fully in. And now you're a member. I will follow you back and tag you in my viral posts on my social platforms as well. So here is my Twitch. If you want to subscribe to Twitch, it's free using Amazon Prime Gaming, and you can be in our free prize draw every first Friday of the month. You can also have my where is it? If as a member, I will follow you back on Twitter. There you go. Tag you in my viral posts. From time to time, I tag my members in viral posts. There's Twitter, and last but not least, Here is Stockwits. If you want to be part of the Lucas Aid Army, and we get into very heated debates about all kinds of things. Mainly, why do you keep liking your own posts? That seems to be very popular on Stockwits. However, all right, thank you very much indeed. You're all in. And don't forget, on your birthday, for you or a family member, the day before, the day of, or the day after now, as a member, you will have a birthday celebration where you get to keep your own video. I will make it for you. Everybody wish you happy birthday. I will sing happy birthday to you in the main studio behind me. You get to keep all that, and that'll be yours forever. Okay? For you or a family member, the day before, the day of, or the day after. And we do that so it covers weekends. All right. Okay, overall portfolio, new highs. Roth IRA, new highs. We are about to do it. Here we go. $48,997. We have never been this high. I'd love to see 50 grand. It's been a nemesis to me for ages. I got to 48 with margin at 50 grand worth of margin, so that doesn't count. Now I have no margin and I'm at 48,987. I would love to get 50 grand. It would just psychologically just looks great, right? Well, I'm going to be there anyway because I've got $200 worth of dividends to pay out. Ricky is now following me on Twitch. Now, if you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Gaming, if you've got Amazon Prime, you may not. But you can subscribe where it costs you money. But if you want to subscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming, you can. And by doing so, I get a $2.50 tip every month. And then what I do on the first Friday of the month, I do a cash giveaway. And I give back the memberships. I give a cash prize every first Friday of the month for my subscribers. It's free. It's a bit of, a free gift. All right. Oh, we want to be there. We want to be there. We want to see it happen. 49,000. Come on. $3 to go. We want to get to 50,000. So 49,000 is the next leg. And then it gets really exciting. Then I've got $200 worth of what you call it, dividends coming. So I'm going to get there. It's just a matter of time. Even if Virgin Orbit collapses, it won't bring me down. It's all about risk management, right? Go on, 49. I want to see it live, and then I'll move on. We've got day trader of the day. Go on. You're going to sit around that 91, aren't you? Ooh, come on. There's 49,000, and then we can step it up to 50,000. I'm going to give you 10 seconds because my audience don't want to stare at that screen for more than 10 seconds. There it is, $49,002. Right, now we are targeting $50,000. Get in. Let's do it. All right. Very, very good. So let's see how we can get to $50,000 now. The S&P is at 1.68. Mullen, we bought at 10. It's now up to 11. I bought it. So we're 14% down now. We've been buying it on the way down. We're not buying any more. It can go to 0 now. I will never buy another share of Mullen. 0. It either goes to 0 or it goes to whatever, and I will hold it. All right, we shall see how it goes. Virgin Galactic is up 7.42. Very nice indeed, $4.20. Ocean Biomedical, we've got to talk about this one soon. Virgin Orbit. We're waiting to buy it at 44 cents. Not a penny more. Rivian, going up. Tesla, going up. Lucid, going up. Apple, up 2% today. It's 10% now, up nearly 11%. It's 8% of my portfolio, as it should be. Amazon is 15% of my portfolio, up 0.95 overall now. That's good. McDonald's. Want to buy McDonald's if I get a chance. If I get a chance to buy McDonald's, I will. Let's have a closer look at my Roth IRA, see what stocks are performing best. J&J really is turning it around now. Markets always overreact to bad news. Coca-Cola, I've seen it over and over again. There you go. There is my Roth IRA. Now we've still got plenty of money. Plenty of money. Bitcoin moving. We'll come to that in a second. Look, there's the buying power. I've still got 2.5 grand. 2.5 grand sitting there doing nothing. Not going up, not going down, not earning 4% APR as my brokerage will from May. It won't earn money till May because I got flagged as a pattern day trader. If you want to know what that is, ask me and I'll tell you. But anyway, so I've got orders. I've got 1,200 left over unassigned, but 1,100 for buy orders. And they are for my all-time lows. And I hope they get in. I hope they go in. Anyway, 12 grand. 49.34. It's flying up now. Bloody hell. Nice to see this. Right. Coca-Cola. J&J. 151. What a swing that was. Is your Roth more of a safe portfolio than your main one? Not really, no. Not really. It is stocks I intend to keep long term. Number one. Number two, the only real reason why I'm throwing everything at the Roth at the moment is because my philosophy has always been dig the ditches, prepare for tomorrow, and then work backwards. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know, in a month from now, I might lose my job, my gigs, my Saturday night gigs. I don't know if all of you will stop watching my YouTube channel, right? So I don't know if I'm going to have money 6 months from now to put into my Roth IRA, do I? I don't know that. And my Roth IRA gives me much better tax returns long term than my brokerage account. I pay no taxes on the gains. Also, and you know that as an accountant, also, I get a 1% match. I don't get a match on the brokerage account. So because of all of that, I'm putting every single thing into my Roth. I'm literally bucket loads every time I get paid. Every super chat from you, every membership from you, every single penny, apart from my internet bill, my phone bill, and my house is paid off, my mortgage is paid off. I don't go nowhere, so I just sit in the studio. So I've only got electric, water, and a few other things, and food. Every other penny goes in, and it goes into my Roth first of all. I did lose my gigs. I got my job back. They just moved me to another venue. I've got my job. Yeah, I did lose my gigs. I got it back. So once my Roth IRA is full and I can't put any more money in there, I will start shoveling it into the brokerage account where I will earn 4.5% APR. And if we get dips, I'll buy them. So how is my Roth IRA doing? Well, remember, Robinhood only released this in December. And you've got until April to catch up. I did it within 2 months. I did it from December. I was done in January. So I did the whole year's Roth by January. There's 2022. Smashed it. 100% done. I then moved on to 2023, and I've got until April 24 to finish it. We've only got $1,500 to go. We've smashed it. We've done it. We've kicked it out. Hopefully it'll be done by next month when I get paid on YouTube, 21st of April. I can finish that one. So I'll have $140. I'll have $140 back, free from Robinhood. Hold it forever and earn money on the Roth IRA and just tax-free benefits, and that's it. Then I will move back to my brokerage account and start putting all my money in here. Now it only shows I got 27 because I got $500 worth of assigned money to buy Virgin Orbit if it goes to 44 cents. Once I can start shoveling the coal in this fire, this will start going up. And as of May, I think it's May 5th, I will earn interest on this account. So that's my plan. Again, always 3 or 4 steps of the puzzle. Never like buy something now. When do I sell it? What do I do? There's always 3 or 4 steps ahead. So every day I wake up and know exactly what I'm going to do, 4 or 5 steps ahead. And I've also got the decision where if something goes wrong, I know what I'm going to do. So I've got no emotion attached. So hopefully I'll make calm decisions. 49,000, we're just holding there at the moment. Anyway, Martyn has 100% charisma. Thanks, mate. Basically, I rung up the venue, I rung up my agent and begged for my job back. I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to beg for my job back just to do a little piano bar gig. But I really want that money. It's more money that I earn on YouTube, because I only earn about $6 a day, $7 a day now. It's going up because of the super chats you give me, but it's not very much. And I want to invest more money into the portfolio. So I'm doing these gigs and so on. So I begged for my job back, and they said it was just that manager. He just wants to keep the volume down. We're going to move you to another venue. And I moved to the other venue, and everyone loves it. So I think it was just trying to keep the manager happy. They still wanted to book me. They just moved me. So I'm good. Anyway, my wife's birthday is next month. Can you sing Rod Stewart? Yes, I can. Planning ahead. Not until April the 18th. We'll do it on the show. Wake up, Maggie. I think I got something to say to you. I am sailing. I am sailing home again. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? There you go. We'll get your wife in. We'll have some fun. Martyn, look at MMLP. It has your name all over it. MMLP. Okay. Let me get to the bottom of the comments, and I will. I thought you had lost your gig. I did. Worth it though. One phone call for consistent cash flow. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, because the money they pay me, I will double in 3 years. So, you go, okay, they're only paying you this, but that can be your pension. So there you go. I've got a request here from a member. Can I look at MMLP? Yes, I can. Let's bring everybody up to date. Quick commercial break. MMLP. Here we go. MMLP. All right, I set a target. I wanted to get to 6,900, 10 more subscribers away, and we'll get to 6,900. I'm so excited about it. We're on target for 10,000 by December and 1 million views by June. If you've just tuned in and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. And help us grow by tapping the like button, subscribing, and ringing the bell. Okay. Duplicate a screen. Oh, I know what you're talking about. You mean me? Oh, duplicate a screen? What do you mean by that? You've lost me. MMLP. Let me have a look a minute. MMLP. Oh, yeah, that's right. Duplicate a screen. That's what I got to do. I got to duplicate a screen. You all know how it works, right? You all know what I got to do. Sorry about the flare. I wasn't paying attention there. I apologize for that. MMLP. MMLP. Martyn Midstream. Okay, what's all this? It's right up your alley. Martyn Midstream. Martyn Midstream partners engages in the United States Gulf Coast region. It operates through the following segments: terminaling and storage, transportation, sulfur services, and natural gas liquids. It's not really for me. Is it because it's called Martyn? Is that why you thought I'd like it? For MMLP, yeah, duplicate a screen. I got you. You want me to review it? You want me to review it? Right. Okay. How long's it been around for? Martyn midstream. Okay. Let's have a look. Well, as you all know, the first thing I do, for those of you that are new, if someone wants me to review a stock, I can do that if you're a member. When I look at a company, the first thing I think is, right, what is the sector? Is it a sector I'm interested in? Because I spend most of my time researching the backstory, the CEO, the companies, are they proprietary? What do they do behind the scenes? And I don't do that if I'm not interested. It's all right. I just found it that, you don't want it reviewed. Okay, that's good. Let's delete it then. Boom. I was going to go into it there. You found it to be funny, right? You thought it was funny. A stock called Martyn, you thought he's going to buy this one. All right. I like it. Let's move on then. We're not reviewing it. Sorry, folks, you got all excited then for a minute, didn't you? You got all excited. Right, could everyone do me a favour, please? We've got Ricky Dominic here, who's just come in as a new member to our channel. He's come into Discord. He's become a member. He pays good money. He's come on in, and he's got no welcomes from anyone. That's terrible. Isn't that terrible? We say this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And he comes on into Discord. He becomes a member, and he's all excited. He says, I made it. I'm Ricky Dominic. And no one welcomes him in. Would everyone go and welcome in Ricky Dominic? We can't have that. What's all that about? Look, Ricky Dominic sitting there with nobody. We can't have that. Sort that out. Sort that out. All right, okay. Now then, a little update. We had a little poll earlier on, and the poll was, how many of you are looping my videos? And we had 15 people, which is, if we do that for a day or two, we should be done. We should get to 4,000 watch hours. So let's have a quick look in my music channel and see. Bearing in mind, it's 24 hours behind. It's 24 hours behind. The good news is we've reached bottom. There's nothing else to fall off. So the good news is we're just adding. It's like hitting the bottom of the stock market. It can't go any lower. I mean, it can't. The stock market can go lower. This can't go lower because it's at zero. There's no watch hours left. There's like 1 hour here, 1 hour there, like nothing. All right? The watch hours is nothing. So now we just keep going up. I've just noticed I've gained 3 subscribers, which is phenomenal. That's really great. So watch time. Here we go. I'll share it on the screen. And as soon as we get to 400,000 watch hours, I'll tell you. Right. 2,500 we were at yesterday, and we are now at 2,600. It won't go up until tomorrow for what you're doing today. Okay. There you go. 2,600. See it now? Look, 2.6. And there's all the hours, all falling off. Nothing. Look. And this is what you're doing. And where you are now, that was yesterday, is nearly the peak when we started this in December. So we're bound to be up here tomorrow. So we could be at 2,700 tomorrow. Okay? There you go. And if I look over here, I can see that my subscriber count has gone up. Look at that. My subscriber count is now growing. My music channel, for the first time in ages, is actually growing, which is amazing. And if we look at the views, see more, you can see here the views. It's not how many views I get, because if you all watch shorts, I'd have millions of views. It's about the watch time. All right? There you go. Look at that. Someone is playing my album for some reason. They're picking the album. Look at that. But anyway, it doesn't matter which one you pick, but look, all these videos are getting watched. Okay? So there you go. You can see the watch hours. So thank you ever so much, everybody, for helping me with my music channel. All right? Appreciate you very much indeed. We're going to wrap up the show in a second. It's all right. I just found it. Yeah. Welcome. says Rob Brennan. I sent a welcome on Discord, did you? Who's that then? Brit Mark. There you go. George Otterty. Welcome, Ricky, from South Carolina, USA. Welcome, Ricky from Brickmark. There you go. He's got some welcomes now. That's more like it. Project Freedom. I got a question for you. Who wrote the song I Will Always Love You, and why was it written, and who was it written by? It was written by Dolly Parton. It was not written by Whitney Houston. I think it was written by Dolly Parton and co-writers. I don't know why it was written, and I don't know who wrote the song and who was written by. Who wrote the song? Well, yes, you've asked the same question twice. It was, I think, Dolly Parton. I'm probably wrong. I'm just guessing. But it wasn't Whitney Houston. Can you show that video? Because a lot of people don't have access. I know I'm... No, you're not. You're not being a pest. You're not being a pest. You're not being a pest at all. You have to remind me. You have to remind me. I forget things. All right? There's a million things going on and I don't see everything, right? Let me just check what it is. I can't have any copyright. Let me have a look. Okay, I can play this. Okay, I've got a video here. Dolly sung it first, I think. Britmark, yeah. Okay, so I've got a video here that was sent in from Mike. The world's richest companies in the world. I just checked it to make sure there was no copyright. We're all good. So here we go. This is might interest you. Here you go. All right, it's 1 minute long. We'll watch it as we're talking. So we got Colgate, Toyota, Gucci, Tesla, TikTok. Look at this. The richest companies in the world. Samsung, Chanel. In America, we had YouTube. Hey. Disney. I wonder if I can zoom in a bit more. That's as much as I can zoom in. Hang on. Let me just pause it a second. UPS. That surprised me. Can I just zoom in? Can I make it bigger? Can I make it bigger? I can't make it bigger. Hang on. I thought I could make it bigger, but it's quite small. If I play it like this... No, that's the biggest. The biggest I can get it is full screen. It just happens to be the middle of the screen. That's the biggest I can get it. I'll carry on playing. Adobe, PayPal. This is interesting. Instagram, Nike, Coca-Cola. There I am. IBM, AT&T, richest companies in the world. Horizon, Nvidia. This is a while ago though, right? MasterCard, all the way up. McDonald's. Then we got Visa. We've got Alibaba, Facebook. Missed that one. Microsoft. I think this might be last year. Google. All the way up. Apple. Up. Amazon. There you go. There's the biggest companies in the world. I'm going to check now and see when that actually was. Can you check the date of that for me? When was that around? So that I would imagine was, I'm guessing 2 years ago. Maybe 2 years ago. Anyway. Last year. Okay, well, how things have changed in a year then. I Will Always Love You, song originally recorded in America. So there you go. Written as a farewell to business partner mentor, Porter Wagoner. There you go. It was written by Dolly Parton. I was right. But it was for her mentor, Porter Wagoner, who actually buys Gucci. I could be the richest man in the world, and I wouldn't buy that. that tat. Gucci is proof that you can't buy a sense of style. 2022. Okay, last year's SPC, brothers. Let's have a look. We've been trading it, investing in it all day. I bought some more. Yeah, 417, Alex. No flights today. Don't come on and tell me there's a flight today. There isn't. I spoke to Virgin Galactic this morning. Some employees. There is no flight today or any time this week for that matter. Virgin Orbit, trying to buy it at 44 cents. Virgin Galactic obviously watching this. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's a few whales buying in Virgin Galactic to try to encourage Virgin Orbit. If I'm honest, that's how it works. That's how it works. So that's why I'm not chasing it up. I bought it when it went down. Not buying any more. It's got to be the right balance. A lot of people are going to get thrown under a bus. We made a new all-time record half an hour ago. We hit $49,000. We've just dropped off a little bit. J&J's dropped back a bit. Right, I'm going to do day trade of the day. I'm going to get off. Forbes not going down no more. You can't say that at all. I think it will go to 44 cents. There's what is your thought behind that? Based upon anything or just a hunch? I'm looking at a number of facts which bring me to that, but that doesn't mean I'm right. It's still only a best guess. Thanks for showing. I know it was previous. No, pleasure. Thanks for great content. Great content, Mike. Great content. Right. Okay. I'm going to get off. Let's do day trader of the day. We've had some fun today. Some very unusual things happened on the show that we've never done before. Singing impressions, God knows what else. That was a bit different, wasn't it? We're at 6,880 subscribers. So I'm going to leave you all now. So I'll be back in an hour and a half. So 15 of you, if we could make that 20, we could be done in a couple of days. Go to my music channel. Please help me out. I'm trying to rescue my music channel from being demonetized. I need to get to 4,000 watch hours by the end of the month. I've dropped off. We're up to 2,600. And we got 15 people streaming all my videos. So there you go. Pick a playlist or a single video, loop it, or the easiest way is to loop a playlist. And I'll update you tomorrow. We're at 2.6 right now. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Let's find out who wins, and we can get out of here. I need to have a cup of tea and a lie down. I'm tired. I am tired. Looking forward to the weekend. In fact, I'm not looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to a break, but Saturday night I work, which I enjoy, but I'd rather not do it, if I'm honest. I'm doing it to be able to invest here. My focus is here. I'd rather make money on my singing in my studio than doing the gig, but I've got to do what I've got to do. Right, let's bring everybody up to date. Skip the ad, and it's day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Here we go. Up 1.82%. Up 1.82%. Let's see how everybody does. Let's put a minute on the clock. A clock on the minute. Either way round. How much do I make per gig? At $500. It's only a piano bar. It's not a theatre show. That's why I said I didn't really want to beg for my job back. I used to play in theatres, 5 grand, 10 grand, put big shows on. I understand that piano bars don't pay much money, but they pay me more than anybody else. They've made a real nice gesture to get me, and they pay me a good money for a piano bar. That's very good. Most piano players, they get a couple $100, so I do very well. That's the most they've ever paid a piano man, but it's good, isn't it? Because I do that every week. That's $2 grand a month. Boom, stick it on the stock market. So yeah, I'd rather not do it. If once I get my music channel to earn that sort of money, I'd rather do that. I'd rather do my studio, absolutely. But yeah, I used to get 5-10 grand. In fact, when I do private functions, I still get that sort of money, but I haven't got time for it anymore. My focus is on this. Even though I earn less, I'm investing for the future. But that is a very, very easy gig. I just drive down the road, walk in, no equipment, sit at a piano, I sing some songs, everyone comes and they all enjoy it, and you know, I can invest it. That's why I do it. It's very, very easy. I'm home in 20 minutes. It couldn't be easier. Anyway, up at 0.71. So what was I? I was up, where was I? I was at what? 1.82. 0.71. Sid goes into the lead, up 2%. Up 1.7. Sid is the winner so far. You're right, it was Dolly Parton who wrote the song. Yes, thank you. Up 1.03 is very good for one evening. So about 2. Yeah, that's good. Exactly. How many hours do you have to do for that? It's about 3 hours. About 3 hours. You should live stream your gigs on your music channel to get it's to get extra super chats. I have thought about it, but I want to focus on the audience there. If I had my YouTube audience, I wouldn't be as focused. I have to focus on the people in front of me. Up 2.1%. Phil Loopy needs some sleep. Need some sleep. So 2.1, it looks like 2.12, it looks like Sid wins today, our musical composer of many films. We're very proud to have him here. Congratulations, Sid, you are our winner today. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and let's give him the sound effects as well. Here we go. That's it. We are done. Okay, guys, we're out of here. I'll see you back this afternoon. Arnold up 3.3. You came in after the bell, but it is only a members competition anyway. It's for our members. Right, I have to get out of here. If you have enjoyed the show and you'd like to continue the conversation, I get lots of very heated debate on Stockwits. Become one of my Lucasades and join in my army. The biggest question I get on, the biggest criticism I get on Stockwits is, why do you like your own posts? And why do you keep saying Virgin Galactic's going to go down? From people who just think everything goes up and think if I say it goes down, it does. I don't understand that. Anyway, if you want to join in the arguments, there is Stockwits. If you want backup to this channel, which is very, very important. I lost this channel 3 times. If I lost it tomorrow, I'd never be able to contact you. You all need to follow me on Twitter. And I often get asked on Twitter as well, why do you like your own post? Because I like everything I do and I like it. Why wouldn't I? However, it does mean I'm the only person to like most of my posts on Twitter. So, if you go on Twitter now, I want all my army, all my Lucasades to hashtag Lucasades, LUCASADES, and like my top 5 posts on Twitter. I'm going to go and check there in a minute and see how many of you have liked it. And if you've liked it, I will tag you in my viral posts and try to grow your channels too. All right, that's it. I am out of here. Let's roll the credits. It's going to be a really great credits today. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. YouTube shows you in my YouTube feed, so thank you, YouTube. YouTube shows you in my YouTube feed, so thank you very much indeed. I'm glad they do. Keep looping. He won't be able to because he'd have to bring a laptop and a camera set up and have a bunch of cords, and the laptop would be too much work. Lights, cameras, you know what I'd be like. All right, let's have a look at it. Stars of the show. Bill gave me a great big tip today. Thank you, Bill, for that. You need to follow me back on Twitter. You're not a member. I only follow my members because I can engage in everybody. I haven't got time. It takes a lot of my time. There's no point just following for follow. I don't do follows for follows. I only follow when I can engage with people. That's it. I've run out of time. Thanks to all my members. Thanks to all my subscribers and super chatters. See you back this afternoon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Can't wait for this afternoon. 50 grand. Bye-bye for now. Paused again. I have to wait. Yeah, this is where it's an embarrassing pause. I've pressed the button and nothing's happening. All of a sudden, it'll happen. I'll just keep talking until it does. Stars of the show: Bill, Eric, Jason, Ricky, Dominic, Carson with a K. And I'm about to get cut off. Any second now you'll see me disappear. But I pressed the button. I've just got to wait because my computer's going slow again. I'm doing too many live shows. I can keep talking away, and all of a sudden it'll end. And if it doesn't end soon, I just pull the plug. One way or another, it's ending. All right. We got a scammer over there on Facebook. Ignore that.